Jamaica, Randy, you know me do it already. All roads lead to Wakanda, Africa. Taking you on the journey, I'm going boarding. Yeah, man, everything me do know, so I got to know. Yeah, go straight into boarding with the thing, you know. Deal with it. Yes, I see a Jamaican there. I must owe me a walk him, see me flex. Bags them check in and everything feel airy. Get the boarding pass. Yes, sooner or later. This is a flight to Africa. This is a trip. I'm gonna make it happen. Yes, right now, Jamaica, 6 in the morning. We're in Amsterdam right now. Take another flight to go to South Africa. Gonna get busy soon. Internet cafe. $597 leaves at 10. There we go. F6. So we F6. Everything. Definitely cleaner than New York. I'll tell you that much. What is this about? Some kind of it's definitely you're not as rough as New Yorkers. It's a more global approach here. Less luggage. Easy going, yeah. It's a global energy. Gotta spend some time here. My next tour is the Europe tour. Then I'm gonna do the West Africa tour. Then Australia. This is Randy again. Blessings and love. Okay, Jamaicans, this is Randy. Getting ready for the final stretch. You know, the Usain Bolt stretch to Africa, 11 hours. This is probably going to be my longest flight. So it was 6 coming. I didn't sleep too good, but Randy goes to Africa. This part of the journey, there's no sleep in Africa. I'm not going to sleep in South Africa. If I rent a car, if we work out the back and everything, stretch out the leg them, no sleep. You know what I mean? I have so much fun. I'm so excited. I'm gonna kiss the ground. I'm in Amsterdam right now. You know, work out the leg. 11 hours sitting down. Yes, Jaja. Sometimes when you travel like this, you probably wish. Not saying this is a good thing, but you didn't have legs, right? And then let me tell you, the flight coming to Amsterdam, that plane was serious, huh? Yo, some serious thing that I go on and I'm gonna for hold on. Yeah. I said one day if Brandon not gonna make it. Yo, I said so got turbulence. I'm just saying, yo, you know what I'm saying? I'm not afraid still, but I said got turbulence, you see? Oh yeah? Amsterdam, Europe is pretty clean. It's a good turbulence, but for hold on and thing, I said, why am I have to make it to Africa? I have to make it. You know what I'm saying? No matter, I say, I'll go plane, I go drop out the sky, I'm gonna reach Africa. You know. So make it and thing, some turbulence, people in my whole lot, yo, I tell you, when the plane land, nobody no clap. You see me? The people them kind of, yo, you definitely see the different vibe. Jamaicans, let me tell you something, when you talk about where you want to live in the world, let me tell you something. Whether it be New York, Amsterdam, Europe, whatever, no one is nice like Jamaica. Vibe, people them alive. When I look around, it's like, them people are like, them have some kind of depression business that go on with them. Them just set away, and you know, we're lively up yourself. You know, we're lively already. So, I don't know, you know, but them set up them fruits and them fruit well organized and everything set up kind of mechanical way. Now I see how the thing set up, but them clean and thing. But you know, it's just, yeah man, when you start to the thing and you start to the thing, you say, why? I like my dirt and my fruit them. No, Jamaica, I say. That's why I'm not tour the world to compare everything from high fashion to high design to expensive this, and then we compare to the country. And in life is a perception. Everywhere you go, no matter what. You know, but vitamin D from the sun and the fruits, them, I checked the water here. The water was about $2.50 for a bottle of water. I'm going to South Africa, there's a water shortage. And so I picked up like 4 bottles of water here, you know, because it might be more expensive in South Africa. And yeah, I'll pick up some bottle of water, some water. But the world has set away where everything is just like expensive, you know, and cost, and you know, the world has set away. I think the best thing to do, I'm looking, definitely buy a land of Jamaica and start planting your trees. Food, water. There's a scarcity all over the world and we need to pay attention to that. So get your water catchment up in the mountains. I already have my water catchment up in the mountains. So your fruits and everything is important, you know what I mean? So now if we go to South Africa, there's a few black people. You see me? So things set up, you know? On vacationers and thing. But I don't want to get crap leg on thing. It's going to be a total of about 17 hours of travel today. You know? So it's a tough journey. It's a long journey. I'm going to be 45 soon. Give God thanks. Give creation thanks. All is well. All is well. All is well. So that is the update for now. On the trip, on the journey. Kids them are nice and thing, place is clean. But I don't think, yeah, Jamaica forever. Just so you know. Jamaica forever. I tell you. Let me tell you something. Yo, Jamaica forever. Yeah? Blessings and love too, and make sure stay on the workout and the foot and do some running. Man, I would love to create a running competition, you know. And remember guys, send me a WhatsApp message. You know what I mean? Keep watching and sharing the thing. I'm gonna be in Jamaica and then probably gonna be in West Africa, Amsterdam. I'm in Amsterdam right now. You know, I just keep traveling the world and compare everything to Jamaica. So I'm gonna tell you, Jamaica forever. Yeah, don't get your cancer. Get up, exercise, cut back on the meat. Don't stress out nothing. Remember saying, you know, come from nothing. You don't have to stress yourself out. Don't worry. Yeah? Don't get sick. Don't make nobody stress you out. Don't make nobody run your life. Take care of your family. Drink your water and breathe. Spirituality is really breathing. Not about 20 deep breaths. And none of us still now remind me, Randy, did you take a 20 deep breath today? Oh, no, pay attention, man. Blessings and love. One, Randy, go up on the plane now. Later. Can't believe it. On the plane to Africa right now. This is so crazy. I can't believe it. Going to the Motherland. 400 years of slavery. Going back home. These are the people I'm going back home with. 400 years of slavery. Yes, you have to document this moment. This is when Rony touched fun. This is it. I'm going to step onto the plane, give thanks for public blessings. Yeah, this is it. Turn back. 36K. 36K. 36K.
Clarify.
This is Cape Town, South Africa. Airport is much better than Jamaica. Invest in CapeTown.com. Go to find the bathroom. This part of the world is totally different from the other side. Okay, I'm here in Africa, staying at Airbnb. It's really nice. Nice place. About $20 a night. It's out good, Wi-Fi and everything. So everyone, I'm here. And I'm gonna try to get an Uber tomorrow to go get a car. But I'm good. I'm happy. I'm gonna rest tonight so I could not sleep for the rest of the time. I'm in Africa. Good morning, Africa. I'm staying in Cape Town. This nice place in Kenilworth. I'm just smelling the African air for the first time. Oh, okay. Ooh, the air is balanced. It's very balanced. Oh. This is where I'm staying. It's a nice spot. It's a really nice spot. Oh, this is a nice spot. The air is great. Wow, the air is just amazing. All right, let's get a moving on it. Time to call the Uber. All right. Ooh, this is nice. This is Rony, first time in Africa.
Nice.
What's your name?
Richmore.
Richmore.
Yeah.
So I'm excited. This is Kenilworth, South Africa.
Yeah.
I'm in the neighborhood of the tourists.
Mainly, there's more and more tourists staying here nowadays.
The road is pretty good. You stay on the left side.
Yeah, we stay on the left-hand side. Which country are you from?
I'm from New York.
New York, yes.
Brooklyn. You know Brooklyn?
I've heard about Brooklyn now.
Yes, I.
I stay in a suburb called Brooklyn, yeah.
You stay in the suburbs called Brooklyn?
Yeah.
Brooklyn is no suburbs.
So we've got a suburb here called Brooklyn as well.
There is a suburb here?
Yeah.
Oh, Brooklyn?
That is where I stay, yeah.
Oh, that's where you stay? Really? How long you've lived in Cape Town? You mind if I interview you?
Nah, I've lived here for 15 years now.
Yeah? I gotta get your number, so you know all over the place.
I'm not all over the place, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So, what are you up to in Guguletu today?
Well, today I'm gonna meet a friend. Weather is nice.
Yeah.
So it's more tourist. The roads are very nice.
Yeah, the roads are very nice. And it's quiet on the roads as well.
Yeah. So your friends, 15 years, Cape Town. You like it?
I love it. I'm originally from Zimbabwe. And
Zimbabwe.
And I've seen things which I've never seen in my life. Like, we don't have an ocean there by us. And, it's something, which made me excited to be here. So I was excited as the way you're excited to be in Africa for the first time.
Oh man, I'm going to be 45, and let me tell you, I haven't taken off my shoes yet.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to kiss the ground, but last night was a little stressful.
Yeah.
But I didn't get the greeting I wanted. I wanted dancing girls and, the whole drumming thing. I didn't see the lines yet, nothing. So
the lines, you're going to see them when you go to the game reserve. Eh?
Oh, game reserve, wow.
There is lots of them, but they're kept in game parks.
Wow, they totally locked the lines down.
But tell me, when you were preparing to come here, what were you expecting?
No. My expectation is just this from Cape Town, but I'm from Jamaica, so I'm looking for the market ladies selling fruits. My first agenda is to see the woman in the market selling fruits, meet with them, look at them, trying to find if I find my family.
Yeah.
You know, I'm trying to look for people who look like me.
Yeah.
But the South Africans are a little short right now, so.
Yeah. I saw you're a huge man, eh?
You're from Zimbabwe.
Yeah, we are short and we are thick as well, eh?
You think?
Yeah.
Where are the big Africans, the big ones?
So yeah,
Probably
Nigerians.
Congo.
Nigeria has got some huge guys, eh? So you get some huge guys from Nigeria.
Wow.
So mostly from East Africa, Nigeria, Cameroon.
Wow, man. So you love your life. You have kids?
No, I do have 2 kids, a girl and a boy.
So what do you do for work?
No, this is my full-time job, Uber.
Yeah?
I survive by driving Uber.
So you're busy all the time?
We've got our quiet moments. Like now, we're getting into winter now. It's our quiet moment.
So you mean I could just get a car and come here and live and drive Uber?
We can. We are surviving by driving Uber.
Wow.
I've been doing this for 3 years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is
You'll
good.
be your own boss, and you determine how many hours you want to work, how much money you want to make.
Wow. Wow.
So how long have you been staying in New York?
You don't want to hear that. 27 years, bro.
Really? So that's why the Jamaican accent is gone, eh?
No, I perfected the art of language.
Is it?
Whenever I want, I could...
If you go to Jamaica, you speak like a Jamaican.
Yes, sir.
And what's your favorite music?
Oh, it's reggae.
Reggae?
Yes, sir.
And do you know our popular musician called Lucky Dube who died?
Lucky Dube, who got robbed.
Yeah. He was good, eh? Have you ever listened to his music?
Of course. Lucky Dube is powerful.
Was he? Do you think he was any popular in Jamaican community?
Lucky Dube? Yes, he was respected as Dennis Brown. Reggae has transcended. Lucky Dube is up there. He's up there. When he died, that was a big blow to us.
Oh yeah.
We were just like, wow, he was a legend to us.
Yeah, he was. I listened to most of his music, and it's something. I've brought as much DVDs as I could,
from Lucky Dube?
Yeah.
I gotta get your number.
He was a true reggae man, eh?
I gotta get your number.
No, I'll give you my number. I'll definitely give you my number. How long are you going to be around?
A week here. And I know Zimbabwe, there's some malaria.
No, it's mainly in Zambia. Zambia usually is malaria.
Oh, Zambia.
But when you travel in Africa, though, you have to be vaccinated. Yeah.
Even in the South, because they say in the South it's okay.
Yeah, in South Africa it's okay, but I mean, mainly, I know people going to Zambia, Malawi. So even me myself, if I want to go to Zambia or Malawi, I have to get a shot of, malaria vaccination.
Okay. Wow. Look at this place. Definitely, McDonald's is right there, which I'm not going.
Yeah.
And another thing, I need local food. I mean, my friend has to be authentic, cooked by the woman. I can never buy food. That's another challenge I have. When I come to Africa,
eat African food.
Oh, I need it from that woman.
Now, to Google it too. And, obviously your friend, knows, the hot spots, where, you can get good food. There's a place called Mzoli's in Google it too. So probably they'll suggest, to take you there.
Yeah.
Or you can get, if you're a meat person, a barbecue, African barbecue.
Really?
Yeah, so...
What's your religion?
I'm Christian.
You're Christian, okay.
There's
a lot of Christians here, right?
Yeah, it's a Christian nation, mostly.
Okay.
It's a mixture, but then, it's, I don't know if they call it like it's a Christian nation or what.
Jumbo. What's that?
That's a wholesaler, grocery wholesaler.
Okay. So okay.
So all your grocery stuff, you'll be sorted.
Go to Jumbo.
Yeah.
And you drive on the left.
Yeah, we drive on the left.
Do you turn on right?
If it's like now, if I wanted to go on that side, I can turn right there. But
with the stoplight?
Yeah, but still stick on my left hand side when I'm on the other side.
So even on this, can you turn on the red?
Yeah, to go on that side.
But if it's red, you still can turn.
No, we wait for it. Like if it's orange, then I still have got an option to turn. Okay. But if it's red, then you don't turn at all.
I see your stoplights look different. These are things that I noticed, How's the crime here?
Crime is there, and the security, thing, is like don't walk in the dark. Mm-hmm. Don't try and not ask for direction from an ordinary person. Look for people in uniform, like security guards, or look. Uber has been around for a long time. So rather, requesting Uber, no matter how short the distance is, put in the address of where you want to go, will get you there, without any problems.
No cash transfer, just boom.
Yeah, so mainly, there's no cash transfer there.
Someone told me not to drive with your windows down.
So you see, this is the lowest I go, huh?
This is the lowest you go?
Yeah. So this is the lowest.
Yo, Jamaican, check this out. This is the lowest the bridge go. Look on this.
Yeah?
Yo, Jamaican, see there? Right now in Jamaica, we can. I shouldn't do that because other people want to hear this.
Yeah.
Right now, this is amazing. This is the lowest you go in Cape Town as far as the windows. Right, look at that. Wow, let's turn this off.
This one,
for a
yeah.
second. Look at that. That's the lowest you go.
I would rather use aircon, for me to be safe.
And what happened if you go lower?
No, at certain traffic lights, that is where, you just
People
get...
come and you lock your doors.
Yeah, my doors are locked. So, whenever you stop, you can get, someone at your window, without you, it happens so quick, eh?
Wow.
And also, in the townships, like where you're going now, definitely, if you've got someone like now, you're going to see a friend who stays there, then it's good, then, you are safe to walk around with a friend.
Mm-hmm.
But then try not, to walk in areas you don't really know,
So I'm going to Guguleto. Is that like a ghetto?
It's a ghetto, yeah. That's proper township, eh?
Proper township, you see, I want to see the proper people.
You would definitely see now.
Oh, yes, I'm seeing the proper people already.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Okay, they see you. Okay. I see.
I see our women as well, eh?
Yes, sir.
Nice caves. African women.
Yes, sir. Look at this. Wow.
There's a train, eh?
Somebody told me not to take the train.
Yeah, don't. I wouldn't advise you
to take the train. So this is Rony. I'm in Cape Town, South Africa. Massive, big, large. Have to speak English. A lot of people all over the world want to see this. Wow. I'm in Cape. I can't believe it. See, this is the real thing. Similar to Jamaica.
Oh, is it?
But the road is much better.
It's Jamaican road, worse than this.
It's the worst in the world. If you fall in a pothole, you might not come back.
I've seen the West in Africa as well.
Yeah.
Cape Town is still kept, very nice and clean.
Yeah.
And well serviced, the roads and stuff. But I've seen West potholes as well.
Oh, you got some horses there.
Some horses as well, yeah.
Some horses. This is Cape Town. And the garbage is there. Who's responsible for all this garbage?
Yeah, in the townships, people just throw away, we call this, what you call ghetto, we call it a township.
Township.
So this is, people, just throwing away garbage. Those are minibus taxis.
Oh, what stop is this?
So this is, a taxi rank where, people here around here, they go and, get their taxis from there.
Oh, I see. The real deal.
So there is our women, you know. That's exactly African women I was telling you.
Okay, I see.
You see?
Yes, they eat well.
They eat well, eh?
You
Well
know,
taken care of.
it's not a lot of challenges here for
No, they,
food.
no, they are.
Where do they get the food from? The farms? Where?
No, we most of our meat and stuff is actually imported. Most of our chicken are coming from Argentina, Brazil.
Really?
Yeah, so and those are like fed stuff, you know, people are eating.
Wow. So you don't eat much.
Local chicken is quite expensive, you know, for you to get.
Oh. So wow. This is a lot. I noticed there a lot of them. They're small people. Like
Yeah. Like mainly South African.
They all look like Mandela to me.
Yeah.
Wow.
So now you're in the ghetto, eh?
For us, this is not totally. Jamaica ghetto is a different vibe,
Yeah.
but I get it. This is similar to Kingston, and okay, but it's something I'm used to.
Oh, all right.
I'm used to all of this. I could walk around here. My energy is that powerful.
Yeah.
You know. I love this vibe because this is where some of the real people, you know, the real struggle, the real stories,
Yeah.
you know, real challenges. When you go to a country and you want to talk to the real people.
Now here you meet quite a lot of people and people with different backgrounds.
But they're all short.
They are all short.
Wow. Yes. Wow. Wow. Okay. It's gonna be a hot day today. Okay. Yes. Life tough.
Yeah.
So how's the water situation here?
No, the water situation, you know, we are all, you know, like, you know, under the same bracket where, you know, we try and use as less as possible.
Do they
like
have
50 liters per person.
Do they have meters here also?
They do have meters as well.
Oh. And
200 meters.
you just had rain?
We had some showers. It's more like, you know, a drop in the ocean.
Okay.
So we had some showers the past week.
And it's making things better for people.
So yeah, so we are hoping now, you know, April, May, we are going to get, you know, more and more rainfall.
Turn left.
So this is proper now, you know, like, you know, the real township where, you know, you can see, you know, these people staying in these
In 200
houses.
meters.
The guy I'm
Turn left.
checking?
These ones there.
Okay. Yes, the real thing. This is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
This is the real deal. But you know, they live here, but they don't organize the garbage.
They don't. There's two, you know, pile it up there, you know, so that the city council will come and pick it up for them. So now, you know, the effect now is because, you know, there's a...
This is what you call this place? This is Teba, the legend reggae artist, Dapper Dan.
You just woke up, no?
How old are you now, Teba?
I was born in 1974. So,
So make you about 40,
44.
44?
Man has been around, you know.
Yeah, so yeah, the real
So
thing.
I'm 44 years young. That's how I say it, positive. See,
How long you been doing the music?
it's 20 years now, professionally, you know. It's been a very rugged road, but full of lessons, life lessons, music, your reggae music. You see this music that saved my life, you know. Maybe I was either too slow or too fast for a classroom. So the music put me to the world, from Lesotho to Fiji. Yes, Mama.
This is your mother?
No.
I want to see Mama.
Yeah, she said, corner, Mama. Magadi.
Kiripo makadi wose. No garago. Wena. Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Wena.
Vula tara shona, but I can't know what is going to teach
You want to talk Shona?
I want to talk shona.
Yeah, makadi.
Magadi, maybe.
Mangwanani.
Mangwanani.
Yeah, Mangwanani. Mararase.
Mararase.
Hey, it's Rony. And your name is?
My name is Tumi.
Tumi. I'm with Tumi. These are the first African people I'm meeting. She is from
Cape Town?
Cape Town. Have you ever seen Mandela?
No.
Never? How old are you?
I'm 39.
39, so you've lived here?
Since.
You love it?
I love it.
Do you go to the beach often?
When it's hot, yes.
Yeah? What beach?
Sea Point.
Sea Point, wow.
Look up.
It's good to see. So, what do you know about, what did they tell you about Jamaica?
Wheat.
Huh?
Wheat. A lot of wheat.
Weed smoking.
Weed, yes.
What did they tell you about New York or America?
To be honest, it's widely domain, but it's a nice place to be. And they say life is there, as there's more opportunities in there more than there is here in South Africa. I'd like to think so. But yeah.
What's the definition of a South African woman? I know you're strong, you've been fighting, you're powerful, but what's a South African woman? What defines you?
What defines me? My roots. Firstly, I'm not from South Africa. Our roots are in Zim. My father was born in Zim, but he relocated to South Africa and then met my mom when they were here in South Africa. This is where we were raised and we were born. So if for me, I'm going to talk about me personally. If you were to ask me what defines me, I'm a single parent to begin with. I've got two girls. One, she's almost 16. She's doing ballet in Joburg. I know what I want in life, and what I want in life is for them to get a better life, better education than what I had. And if I could give more besides the love I'm giving them, I know I would give to them. It's not about the material stuff, but the love that I have for them. And they're the reason that I wake up every morning and I know I'm looking forward to the next day. Besides my family, my brother and my mom and my other sibling. But they define me as a parent to them, and my family defines me as a child to them, and my brother also. So yeah.
So it's a family.
To me, because if I wouldn't have them in my life, I think my life would be different. And I love the person that I am through them. You with me? Yes.
That's interesting.
I'm a very independent woman. I like to do things my way.
Well, that's most African women.
Yes, I would listen to some advice, but from those advice, I will take a decision and make what I feel it's a sound decision for me. And I will do something that will make me happy before starting to make you, the next person, happy.
Wow.
That's me. And sometimes they say I'm a...
Selfish?
Yes, but what's the point of me trying to make you happy if I'm not?
You have to be happy first.
Yes. And I'm a very outspoken person, so sometimes people see me as...
A rebel.
Yes.
Are you the black sheep or is Tebe the black sheep?
I'm
of
the
family?
black sheep.
You're the black sheep. What month are you born?
I'm a Libra in October.
Okay, so you're the black sheep. You're the rebel.
In a good way, though.
In a good way. Independent, strong.
Yes.
And your work, what do you do for living?
I work with the city of Cape Town, which is the municipality. I'm a clerk, but we deal with various inquiries where we need to disconnect the services. If they are disconnected, we send for reconnections. We're making payment arrangements.
There's
Electricity, water. We deal with rates.
How long you been doing it?
For 10 years now.
And you went to school for that?
Not Not really. I went to school, I matriculated, but couldn't further my study because of finance. But then I got an opportunity to go work there, and they were very impressed. And I kept telling myself, I'm going to start. It's been 10 years and I haven't even started studying. But I think I'm in my comfort zone. I love the public. I like to deal with public. So listen to their problems and try to find a problem-solving solution for them. It makes me feel great, because that's what I'm there for.
See, this is why I like traveling. I like talking to the only way you can get to know the culture is when you
Get
talk
to
to the
interact
people.
with other people.
I met someone where and she's like, why would you want to go to Robben Island? I was like, kind of why I'm here. She's like, oh, there's so much beautiful restaurants. Like, ah.
Yeah. So yeah, my work needs 101% of me, because I need to, when I'm at work, I need to take my problems, if should I have problems, and leave them behind, because at work I need to be focused.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Yeah, so
So the struggle in Africa now, what's going on now with the government, the shift of land?
it's horrible if you ask me, because now we feel that we were being robbed of our land in the past, and now we want it back, but we're not wanting it in a good way. Okay, I don't know what is the good way to put it in proper words, but doing it violently is not going to solve the problem that we're facing currently. You with me?
Is that a push? Violence is the push now?
Most of the time it is, because now recently we're here, where we not far from where we stay. There was like ugly protesters that they were burning, they destroyed robots, the post office, for no good reason, because they wanted the land back, of which the robots and the post office won't give them what they want, not unless they go to the right person to talk to about this, because we have ward councillors that they need to voice our feelings and our concerns to the government, but they're doing it the wrong way.
So is the government doing anything? No. So there's no move. I thought there was a shift where some of the land is going to be taken back from
When?
the farm. Oh, so nothing is happening.
Yes.
So there's so
Yes, maybe it's in the pipeline, but it hasn't been implemented. Some, but if I'm out of 100, I'm gonna say maybe 5% have shifted, yes, but not 100%. Are you with me? People are struggling. People are still sleeping on the streets. People are still staying on the shacks. We're still struggling. We don't have I'm gonna say it. We don't
Resources.
have the resources, and they expect everybody to be able to buy property. Buying a property is very expensive. It's quite expensive, and without working, if you look at the young stuff out there, the young kids, most of them are unemployed. How are they going to pay for the properties? How are they going to buy the houses? Because obviously you have to pay a lawyer, of which takes money also. So it's bad. It's frustrating. You get to see most of us are staying at home with our parents, not married. It's because we're not educated enough to have our own money to be able to do these things. Remember, yes, money makes the world go round, but some of the stuff you don't need money, but for this now, you definitely need money.
okay. So resources, the lack in resources or access to loans.
Besides, loans is gonna make you more even miserable.
Interest rates very high.
But now the VAT percentage went up again with 1%, which is killing us. We were born with our parents that had nothing in terms of finances. Unlike the white kids, they were born, they already had trusts that they were created in their names. They were born in where there's wealth, of which we didn't. We have to strive for everything up until today. We still.
Yeah, it's Randy. And give us your name again.
My name is Tumi
Tumi.
Shumba.
Yes. And we're talking about the state resources, lack of it, the condition of South Africa. Give us what's missing. The people are suffering. Why? what's missing? What are the missing things?
The resources, back to where we were talking about the resources. Hence I was saying to you earlier on that most of the South Africans, we're I'm not going to say unfortunate, but we weren't born in a wealth where we grew up, there's money. You had to, for bread, you had to work for a slice of bread when we were younger. But things tend to change because we're working. I like the different color. I'm just gonna say whites. They're born where there's everything for them. We have to work for everything. We have to struggle to get. What's missing also in South Africa? We don't have this. We're lacking this. We don't love each other anymore. Mm-hmm. If we were a loving nation, I doubt most of these things would be happening. Because first of all, the things that are happening, they're happening only mostly in us, black people, not affecting the white people or the other nations. It's always been about the black person that always suffers. And now, because we had too much of suffering, we're venting, but we're venting in the wrong way. You with me? Which is violent. And if we want to voice ourselves to whoever we were supposed to be raising our concerns to, we're not doing it the right way. And the government is not paying too much attention to us up until we resort into being violent. Mm-hmm. Do you with me? Mm-hmm. So things like those that affect our mindset, because now we tend to think that if I want your phone, the only way to get it is to come and take it and grab it, instead of me trying to get a job so I can be able to pay for my own phone. So our mindsets from the word go, it's backwards. It's really backward. It's frustrating. And if you see how the crime rate, if you were to look on our statistics on South Africa, Cape Town has got the highest crime rate. In everything. In everything. Because now people are gonna say maybe I'm being racist. I'm not. We overpopulated, I'm gonna say, in Cape Town. Mm-hmm. Why I'm saying that is because people move from the Eastern Cape to come get jobs in Cape Town. Mm-hmm. So we're getting overpopulated because we think, or we know that there's more opportunities and resources that we can get here. But they come here and they didn't get the job that they planned or they thought that they would get, and then they resort to crime. It's sad.
What are the next steps, you think?
To be honest with you, education is the key. If we all were to go to school, if we all had to money to further our study, I for one, I couldn't further my study because we didn't have finances to do that. Mm-hmm. But that didn't make me to resort to violence. That didn't make me to resort to being stealing and robbing other people's stuff that didn't belong to me. I worked for what I have. Mm-hmm. So it's for me, it's education is still the key to a better future. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So the government is not proactive. Why not?
Government attends to people that have money. If there is something that's been done by the government to the communities, it's very, very little. Doesn't make any change yet. Or hasn't made any change yet. So there's still a long road.
What's your daughter's name again?
Her name is Onali Rona in full, but so it's a Rona.
She's so beautiful.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to meet you. How's her school? School's good?
Okay, she changed school now. She used to go to one of our public school here, but now she's going to one of our multiracial schools. She's doing fine. I'm impressed actually with her results. She got 6 and 7. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. She's improving.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Wow. So this is your second.
Yes. This is my life. This is my joy.
How do you like school?
Yeah, let's go in high school.
Fine.
How do you say hello in your language?
Molo.
Hello.
Molo.
And what is the language?
Xhosa. But our home language is not Xhosa. Our home language is Setswana, and we're supposed to be
So Dumilong, you know what Dumilong is?
Dumilong.
Dumilong is greetings. It's Botswana.
Oh, Dumelang.
Dumelang,
Yes, yes.
okay.
That's what we speak at home. But because we living in a community where we Xhosa domain, so we tend to speak, or we speak Xhosa, or we've learned to speak Xhosa fluently.
Wow, the way you do that.
Xhosa.
There's a click.
Yes, you have to press your tongue. Xhosa. Can you say it?
It's going to be a
A
long
long-
time. This is Rony, world traveler. This is the real leader right here. She's the rebel of the family, and I'm going to talk to her more as I stay here. This is, you say corn. Is it grits? How many?
Yes,
It's grits.
yeah, but done in a Soto style.
Yeah, man, it's Randy again, hanging with the Cape Town road boy. What's your name?
Vincent,
Vincent.
Allah, the Uber driver.
Yeah. So what's your style? What's your story, Vincent? How long you been in Cape Town?
Vincent has been in long time in Cape Town for about 10 years now.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's originally from Zimbabwe.
A lot of people from Zimbabwe are here.
Yes. Yes.
Is it to look for work?
Exactly.
You've been doing Uber for that time. What you been doing for a living?
Uber is only here for 3 years now. I was driving for different companies before, and I've been working in a hotel, in a guest house, and I've been a barman at a bar, so at a club.
Wow. So this is the real deal.
Yeah,
Real
man.
township. Real.
Yeah, man.
So the Rasta man is fixing them after we stays in this area.
Okay. Tebe is in the back.
Yes,
The
man.
legend.
Yes,
We're driving to the airport, man.
Yes,
The cars are living now.
So you guys listen to reggae?
A lot, man. A lot.
This is corn.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
I know you don't have the time, right?
Yes, man.
But it's already.
Oh, that's where I want to go.
Yeah,
Right
man.
there.
Never go there, man. When
Yeah,
you
man.
get the car, you see, man.
Oh, this is the real.
This is the real
Yes,
thing.
man.
Yeah, man. This is like Jamaica right here. This
Yes.
is just like Jamaica.
Yes, exactly,
You know?
man. Yes,
This is just like Jamaica.
like Kingston ghetto.
When I take you to the airport as a Rasta, they
Yeah.
get the biggest population like this called Kailicha, which means the new settlements, the new homes.
Yes, sir. This is, yeah, the water smells just like Jamaican sewers.
Yes, it's true.
This is, yo, Jamaican, Randy, you see what I'm telling Randy, see if Jamaica, Randy again back on the movement, see how far I'm going for getting the things. Look here, right now, Cape Town, get to me there. I hang out with this is the legend right now, the real shooter. And the real people, blouse and skirt, the real Cape Town, real garrison. Everywhere the people go, me dead there. Dep on it. People wait for the bus into Cape Town. What do I mean? Airport, Belleville. Wow, Cape Town, me there, Africa right now. The real thing. Wow, in a Cape.
In the Cape, yeah.
So what is Zimbabwe?
Zimbabwe.
Tell us about Zimbabwe, the difference between Zimbabwe and Cape Town.
H2, and K2.
What can I say? It's almost the same, man. Same African cultures, man. The only difference is Cape Town is along the coast, and we're not next to the sea in Zim, you know.
So Zim and Cape people close together, they're good.
Yes, I know they're all good, man.
Because I know the Nigerians are not too good with a lot of people. What does a Nigerian get such a bad rap? All over Africa, I hear this. Nigerian,
There's no Nigerian in Zimbabwe.
no Nigerian in Zimbabwe?
There is, but not a lot is in Cape Town. You know.
Not a Nigerian in Cape Town.
No, there's a lot of Nigerians in Cape Town.
Okay.
A lot, but not a lot in Zim, you know.
But there was some conflict recently about the Nigerian taking jobs or something.
Nigerians, to be honest, they don't work. They don't work like for companies and stuff. They do their own thing, you know.
Okay, they're the big
They're
man.
hustlers. They're hustlers.
They be dependent, you see.
Mm-hmm.
So Nigeria is one of the first liberated countries, and because but we have good Nigerian musicians, we have good Nigerian soccer players,
Yes.
we have good Nigerian doctors,
Yes.
you know. And I mean, there's a stereotype of Nigerian as drug dealers, but we also have drug dealers, local South African drug dealers. It's just that Nigerian, them are independent. Them not cater for them, you know, cater for the system, you see, because it's messed up already.
So they're very progressive Africans.
Yeah, man. Them
Yes,
a go for it.
Because a lot of people try to give Nigerians a bad name, but they are the ones that really take it to the next level.
Yeah.
They are trouble
Yeah,
causers.
man. You see, so they must say, but me know some good Nigerian brethren who are take care of the business. Them not fear for no boy.
So what is South Africans known for?
South Africans, they know the negative or the positive.
Positive.
The positive, we hosted the World Cup.
Yes.
Yes, that's
We won the Rugby World Cup more than twice. We've won we're one of the best athletes, like in we were one of the gold medallion athletes and swimmers. Nelson Mandela stopped a possible civil war when he got released because he fought so-called liberation, he fought against apartheid. But Steve Biko is what we call the father of black consciousness. And then you get Robert Mangaliso Sobuka, who said Africa for Africans, Cape to Cairo, whose struggle was not just South Africa. So those were the few highlights. Like South Africa is supposed to be the last independent nation in the continent, if not in the world. And those are the thumbs up. Yeah, man.
Wow. What's the food that the national food, the dish?
In Zimbabwe they call it sadza.
Yes.
In South
Sadza.
Africa they call it, like that the maize porridge we just had. Grits, what they call grits?
Yeah.
It's our staple food.
So we're going to the car rental.
Car rental.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
We call it ipapa.
Papa, yeah.
Yeah, it goes with, enough people they eat meat, but could eat it with vegetables like spinach, wild spinach and vegetables. So, and then what we call umngqusho. It's like beans and maize. It's called umngqusho. Like Jamaica, they have like rice and beans. We have beans and maize. It's one of our staple food. And then with our own steam bread, dumpling. Our own dumpling. We might go mash up some dumpling and some fish straight out of the ocean.
Yes,
So, but it varies from different regions. Like if you go to the north part, they have what they might call masonja. Even you see, when you go to the north part of the country, you get the Venda, there's the Tonga, and the Shona is very close cultural identity, even the dialect, you see. And yeah, man, but Cape Town and Joburg is the most cosmopolitan
So
city.
we're gonna go to the. Oh, you're going to the main office, right?
What town are we going to?
Let me check. Yes,
If they catch you doing that, they give you a big fine.
Hold it. To film while you're driving, right?
Is it from now?
Yeah. Get the mountain for me. So you say they give you a fine if you hold the camera?
If you hold the camera or phone.
Yeah, get that mountain for me.
Yes, that's the Table Mountain. We're gonna be there soon. And just after the Table Mountain, This is what we call the Lion's Head. You see? Because it's a beautiful coastline, Atlantic coastline. So this gets over there, it's called Langa. One of the oldest townships in Cape Town, the first black township where the revolution took place. The Pan-Africanist Congress was very influential and dominant. And as we cross over, this area over there, you can see the stadium called Ethlon Stadium. It was revamped for the World Cup. So it's where you get what they might call colored people. But over there, the Table Mountain is where the University of Cape Town is based, just under there. We used to have, back in the days, we used to have black lions. But a man called Cecil John Rhodes, who colonized what they call Zimbabwe, and who named it Rhodesia. Back in the days, Master Bawalepa, local animal. We used to have another animal that looked like a zebra called quacha. It had brown stripes instead of black stripes called quacha. All good instinct. But now this national road that we is in, it takes you as far as Durban to the east coast. It's very good road through the Eastern Cape, and now we're heading to the CBD, the heart of Cape Town. Soon we're going to be passing the castle where the first Dutch settlers came and colonized the country. And Cape Town is a slave city. It's a halfway station between Asia and Europe. So where they used to have a halfway break to get refreshments and water and distribute slaves from the west to the east. And yeah, man. So it's a very historical slave town. We're gonna go through with those historical places in the city. On the east coast is good. Is a place called Simonstown. It's like it's where the sailors were there. They're one of the first ports in Cape Town in a long time. And there is a golf course with rich people that play golf and business golf park. There, yeah, man. Live and direct Cape Town 2018. Yeah, man. Look at the mountain, look at it. The claim said that it's got one of the highest chakras in the world. Energy very strong and positive there. So as we drive through Cape Town City, we'll come across some real natural environment like baboons and things like that. So it's a city but with its original natural habitats. Like in springtime we could see Wallepa whales on the coastline. Even when we go to Robben Island we come across some, sea lions and things like that. It's the country as one of the popular surfers and love Rastaman old title. See? Yeah, man. Yeah, that's the Table Mountain, and this is part of the Table Mountain. When you go to the other side of it, it's very flat. It looks like a table. And then when you on a certain angle, you can see the see the flatness of the mountain and why it's called Table Mountain. And along this route we're going to pass one of the biggest hospital in the country called...
We're going straight there?
Go straight. Keep on this lane. You're alright. Just keep on this lane. You're right. Just keep on it. It's gonna take us to the mountain edge a little bit. It's here in front of me is a big hospital, one of the oldest one, called Grote Skier. It's a Dutch name. I was there for a while. And some medical situation. So that's the mountain. The vegetation is called fynbos, one of the potent herbs and healing plants from this mountain. What they might call the bushman, or the Sen, or the Koi, used to be the original. This name. This name. Alright. Yeah. And from there we're gonna see the harbor on our right hand side. So keep to that. See. It's a big city, international city. It is quite shitty, but they don't have pity. They must see me. That's the mountain right there. See.
Yo, pussy. Don't do that to no. Me slap in your face. Don't bomber cloud flash me. Okay, alright. Pussy.
Okay, my South African brothers. Disrespect about them. See there? It's the lion said.
Wow, look at that. Whoa. Watch the ride, road boy.
Let's get right.
Wow, man, look for the scenery. Get that for me.
Yes, sir.
Virgin, that is beautiful. You can't even stop yourself.
See,
Wow.
You could have stopped if you want. See, trust me, man. Trust me. We have to let you be a passenger sometime. Don't worry yourself. So this area, this is before there were the ghettos. It was the urban settlement where everyone used to stay, like Harlem. It's a place like Harlem, where everyone multicultural points. Now we enter the CBD now, so if we take it slightly easy across the road, we have cameras here, so I'm speeding.
Okay.
So just fine. So this area is called District 6. That's where my mama used to stay. Alright then.
So what's a good speed limit?
It's 60 on the road, and the highway is 120. Alright, so you're gonna turn left there, and this road.
I'm staying
Left here. Kebs Bay is a very bourgeoisie type of place, but Rastaman and Keta for them, we just mash it up and things like that.
So we're going straight?
Stay left. Stay left. Gonna go left. Gonna take enough from here.
We'll take off left there.
Yes. Get some credit.
So them around the place.
Around the place in 1652. Straight down. Them around the place, and they even made a law to be racist. If they see a black man with a black woman, a black man with a white woman just chatting, it was illegal. See, this is Table Mountain. This is Oranjezicht. See, infrastructure is okay. Volleyball street people. Most of them used to be farm workers, and then you're gonna come across a Volleyball Rasta man. This is Cape Town is a Rasta capital. Some of them stay up the mountain and they break herbs.
Can you catch that for me? The artwork. Cool, that is wicked.
Yeah, wicked graffiti gentle.
Wow.
Turn left, yeah.
We turn left on the light?
Turn left on the light,
Okay.
yeah. It's,
So we can turn on the light. So where am I louder? I'm gonna take a right here?
Yes.
On the left side.
Left side. Okay, then
What's this?
this is the mall. I'm supposed to go this or you're in the other side.
Oh.
So that's other
Okay, alright.
setting. This is exit entrance. And so we watch on that.
You can stop the recording now. Right now we're in Cape Town, South Africa. This is Cape Town, South Africa, the shopping center. You know, I'm taking my friend Tebe to shop to buy some food. I just arrived, settling in so we could go on the adventure. But this is what South Africa look like. Yeah, oil, right? I'll meet you around. So this is it, South Africa, Cape Town. Yeah, the people with money are in the supermarket. Yo, Jamaicans, let me tell you something. Jamaicans. When I tell you, Jamaicans, let me tell you something. Boy, I'm telling you, no see what go on. I'm not have to tell you, no see what go on. I'm not have to tell you. See what go on. I'm not have to tell you what go on and see what go on. So this is 80 cents.
8 rands.
Yeah. So
It's like 80 cents.
and so I'm gonna get some water to drink. Like 80 cents for this bottle, so the water is cheaper than America. Getting some food from a place I'm get some food for the place I'm staying. My brother Tebe is a big time musician. You're gonna see his videos after these interviews. So this is South Africa. Basically, the water is not that expensive. The food is not that expensive, you know? So the place I'm staying, I could, so then I'm gonna get me some rum, get some alcohol, get some eggs, make some cooking in the morning. You don't want to waste money going out all the time, you know? Get some fruits and some things, some bananas. All right? So yeah, I saw it set up. Table where I have to set to the oil. So yeah. There's some alcohol. Yeah, I want to get some wine for the place. I'm cool about, hey, you're Jamaicans, you know what I'm saying to you. Don't let nobody tell you nothing about Africa. You need to come to see for yourself. All right? This side of the world, different. I'm going to link off. I'll link you back. Guys, this is South Africa. A lot of people in the States don't understand
Okay.
what's going on down here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
You see, I don't think you have them in the States. Even the guys who put petrol in your car, all the lowest jobs you can ever think of. In the new black country, we still servants. of the
Yeah.
colonialists.
Let me look at this. This is going to the supermarket in South Africa. And this is the mall in South Africa. That's Tebe. This is the gangster right there. This guy is a big time musician. Travel the world. And we're gonna now get the car. This is our cart guy. He's responsible for helping us to bring the food from the supermarket. Now this is going all over the world. Tell the people in the world how you love South Africa.
Oh, I love South Africa very well. Because I was born here, everything I know what everything was happening here.
Yeah?
Yes.
What do you know about Jamaica?
Jamaica, I didn't make it go to Jamaica also. I didn't went there.
You listen to reggae music?
Yes.
Yeah?
Let's say reggae music.
Is Jamaica big in South Africa? Jamaicans?
Yeah, Jamaica is a sing. I like the Rasta music, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah. I was bringing the Penny Spear also.
Berlin Spare?
Yes.
They're amazing,
And
right?
Culture, yes. The elders, that one.
So that's the gangster Teba right there. You know, the rude boy just going through. Oh, there's our car. We're living in South Africa. We'll buy something for the place and thing. And this culture is something interesting going on down here. Very, very interesting going on down here in this country right now. And we're going to talk about it later.
But we respect him, we love him, but they can't because brutally. They killed Robert Mangaliso Sobukwe, the father of Pan-Africanism. So there's whatever unfinished, unhealing. See, our first black president made us to insist down the fire. You see, because no future with Vex and the situation, we really look at black people on the street now. So we need real economical justice. It's a serious thing. But channel.
This is South Africa, did it? Yes. South Africa. Business, commerce, separation. Financial separation.
Yeah, man, economical segregation and spiritual brainwash. Because enough of me people, when them see God, them see the slave master, when I look like them. So that is a serious thing that so Rasta and some of the Kushites and Kamatik and traditionalists, them look upon a black Messiah and Creator who create we like Him. She or Him is like we, not like the slave master. That is the biggest thing now. Enough people, they want to relate to their spirituality, because if you are spiritually confused and brainwashed, you can't expect to be politically and economically relevant. So it's a serious thing. They might demonize black spirituality. They might talk about we not have history. They talk about we savages and uncivilized. But this mere city, beautiful city, is made from black people.
And the black people sleeping on the ground
On
then?
the ground. Those people, enough of them used to be farm workers.
Yeah.
They used to pay them with alcohol.
So they paid the farm workers with alcohol?
Yeah, it's called the DORP system. If you go to Google, called DORP system, where they used to pay them with alcohol after. And enough of them is the original natives of this region called the Western Cape.
Ah.
Yes,
So they were the original warriors.
yeah, them.
So they paid them with alcohol to drunk them forever.
Yeah, you see them, they've got the same status like the Aboriginal. They are classified as flora and fauna.
Mm-hmm.
You see, and them is one of the landless people. But you see, my tribe, my Miam is a fusion of the natives and the Nguni from Kush, Ethiopia, coming down Africa. I'm that breed, but the original is when we go towards Johannesburg, we're gonna go to the cradle of the humankind, the first Homo sapiens. The natives of this region are the original human beings in the world. You see the Eskimo and the Japanese and all the human DNA, it goes back to what they call them, the Bushman, or the Khoisan, or the Hottentots, and the Greeker. We're gonna go through all these different segregations, but my bloodline is the warriors, the Zulu warriors, the Nguni, the Mabians, the Yoruba, Mixans, Shantia, Shantan, and Kushites. We hail strongly from the east, from Ethiopia, but our spirituality and history tell us, even my mother is what we call in another Sutu language or Setswana, we call them Barwa. Barwa is the original Bushman. So it's a long story, because when you look at the Malay Asian slaves that became dominant in this region, classified under the term colored, not as black, not as white, but in between. And like in prison, if they give a black man a dry bread, they're gonna give a so-called colored a bread
some
with
Rasta.
with some gem. This is a Rasta capital. Rasta man, vibration. Yeah man, blessed. So this is Rasta capital in the whole country. You see, extra amount of Rasta man. And we man keep it natural and urban.
Civic Center,
See this
performance and stuff happens here.
That's where we're going. The Civic Center is just municipality office. Where we're going now is the theater, the big theater. See this area over here used to be water. The water used to go as far as the castle. I'm going to show you the castle. So this is called the foreshore. From this area onwards is the harbor. Behind this building is the harbor, is the waterfront. We're gonna take you there. So going right through, this used to be the whole beachfront line. And there is one suburb called Pardon Island. It used to be an island. So this is some Dutch engineering. Because the Dutch, they live below sea level. It's Bishop Tutu and Nelson Mandela. Maybe he's washing himself.
No, he's drinking the water.
You see, because there's also like a lot of crack fiends in this area.
Okay.
People doping themselves. This is the artscape, the legendary artscape.
The artscape.
Yes, sir.
How did you become a part of this artscape?
They once had some auditions, and then they asked, how would you write a hip hop story for a family and intellectuals and just even for the heads themselves? I told them I would write it, and they called me. They said they liked my presentation, and it was history.
Good. So this is South Africa. This is a mall.
Yeah, it's called St. George's Mall. From the other side of the mall, called St. George's Mall. Some colonialists. But the Bushmen, the Khoisan, they've got the original name of this space. This is the market where they used to sell slaves. Back in the days. The slaves moved this ground.
These are just performance to perform.
From the ghettos, some youths. But it's more like some choral vibe. But if you go to the waterfront, you see other.
This is the African. You see. Let me tell you something. Teba, this is Randy for SaveJamaica.com, hanging out with Teba, the lion.
Yes, sir.
Jamaica, I'm bringing you to Cape Town, South Africa, and I want to show you the real Cape Town, South Africa. Look at that beautiful scenery down there. I'm coming back here, Teba. You have people singing on the street. You have beautiful people dining, and then you got up the road right there. The temperature here is amazing, Teba.
Yeah. As soon as you're gonna go to the coastline, you're gonna go from the west coast to the east coast, to the mountain, to the most southern part of the continent in the city, from the high class, middle class to the lowest class.
All right.
Yeah.
So then here we have the market with all the crafts and stuff. Yes, sir. Respect.
From Congo.
Respect. This is you?
Me and this brother, we have a history with this brother.
Yeah?
Yes, I lost my laptop. You know, the street man, then they say he stole my laptop.
No, me, I always did it. No, me.
And then he said, no, nothing like that happened. But I forgave him because I don't know what happened.
I'm always telling the truth. God
He
is
said to
my
me,
witness.
he said, God is his witness.
Yes, I always tell you that. I didn't know nothing, and I remember after one party, But when the things was happening, I didn't know nothing. I didn't even know that the car is open.
From Congo. You see, he's from Congo. He got some other experience of African migration into the city. Came to the city as a visual artist, which you see is a serious man. He's been accused of things. And but me, as African, nothing but love. You see, and he's explaining things to me. This man. So how's the business, bro?
Yeah, we thank God.
Yes, sir.
One day in, one day off. But this Lord is giving us bread.
Yeah.
So where's your art?
This is my art.
Oh, he's.
Now your artwork may go to Caribbean. Introduce yourself to the camera.
Yes, I King. Tell us about your work.
Yeah, I do oil and canvas. And, I do all kind of jobs, abstract, and I work with palette knife. Like those pieces you see, the couples, the women.
Okay.
I use the elephant and the palette knife.
Nice. Wonderful. Wow, you're the real deal. You're from the Congo. And your name is Peter Mukendi. Guys, this is Peter Mukendi, 2017 African art. Oh, okay. I see you, Mr. Mukendi. I see you. Yes, I see you. Huh. This one here. This one is, I like that.
Those are making just like an abstract, but the traditional outfit is given away. This one is just making like an abstract.
Lovely. All right, we're gonna come back around, check you. All right. Respect, sir. It's an honor. Respect. All right. So there were different things, jewelry in the market at Cape Town. Okay. How you doing? Can I film? These are penguins. How much are these penguins?
How are you?
How you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm Rony from Jamaica.
Yeah?
So you're not going to give me any tourist price?
I'll give you a good deal. A brotherly price.
What's the brotherly price? Oh, this is my
These are made out of springstone.
Springstone?
Yes.
And where do you find those?
These you can only get them in Zimbabwe.
In Zimbabwe?
Yes. I'm from Zimbabwe.
You're from Zimbabwe?
Yes.
You don't look like a South African.
I look like?
You don't look South African.
I'm from Zimbabwe.
A lot of people from Zimbabwe here.
Yeah, we are a lot.
It's a good family.
Yeah, we are a lot.
So these are special, all special stones?
Yes. Like this one, that's springstone. That's leopard rock because of the spots.
Yes.
It's leopard rock. That's butter jade. That is lapidolite.
Yes.
The green one is verdite.
Wow, so these are healing stones also?
I'm not quite sure in that side, but that what I know is that they are special stones. I think there's a shop down there that sells them. And then we have these ones here, that's fruit serpentine. And then we have the green one at the back there, that's opal.
And who makes these?
My husband makes some of them, and, like the family.
Nice. Lovely. We're taking a tour. We've seen everything, so we'll come back. But when I come back here, what are you gonna give me this for?
Those ones we sell them for 130.
Okay.
But I can give you like for 80.
This This is good. Sorry, look at that. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, it's like that. It
I'm
happens.
gonna come back and pick it up. My daughter loves penguins, so we have to
Okay.
go see them.
When are you coming back?
Let's do it now, because I gotta hold this for me. This is great. She loves. I want to figure out which one of them has a personality. This one has a personality. See this one right here? That one has a.
And this one too.
Oh, I like this one better.
Maybe you can get it too.
No, she's one.
It's gonna be lonely.
No, spiritually blessed.
You know them, and they must wake up in the morning, greet each other.
Here, you could keep that.
Okay, thank you
That's
so much.
best.
So you like that?
I just want this one.
Okay, let me wrap it for you.
This is my daughter. If I didn't get her that.
Because of the elephant
I'm gonna put you one thing in
and the lion.
Yes, this is Randy on the South African tour. You know me take you everywhere. Bless you and your family. Blessings to you and your family. Love, light, breathe. The African here is the best here. Jah Rastafari Selassie. Blessings.
So there's a very Ethiopian brother of mine, but there's another one just as the shop. He's got all kinds of stones, healing stones.
Yeah.
Tell you exactly what suits you, whatever.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. This is it's a public holiday, so it's not so busy. But it's where they also do the free jazz festival concert.
So this is Georgetown. You said it was with
St. George's Mall.
George's
This
Mall.
particular spot is called Free Market Square.
And what's historical about this place?
It's where they used to sell the slaves.
Sell the slaves here.
Yes. This
Okay.
market.
Wow.
Round Market Street. As you can see, the archaeology is quite Eurocentric,
The architecture. Right?
colonial
The architecture. Right?
architecture. The buildings.
Yeah.
System. In Cape Town, you see
Thank you so much, brother.
Oh, it's an honor. Thank
Enjoy
you so
your
much.
day.
Tell me a
Thank you
story
so
your
much.
grandmother used to tell you. What do you have to say to the Western world? To all the women in the world. If you had to send them a message from Zimbabwe, what would you say to them?
A message about?
Life.
anything that you think is important.
If you could speak to 5,000 people, what would you say to them?
Oh, something about Chimrenga.
I'm not Shona though, so like.
Exactly.
But
What makes you a woman? What makes you a strong
Okay.
African woman?
I think a woman has to stay true to herself. Believe in yourself. Always. You'll conquer.
Zimbabwe forever?
Yeah.
Blessings.
Thank
Give
you.
thanks.
Bulawayo.
Love you.
Nanya Kulu.
You know them fingers.
Yeah, we have them. There is a part that is for our film.
Well, this market is so nice.
Cape Town.
Cape Town. Okay.
I'm from Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica. Okay, Cape Town, Jamaica, there's Zimbabwe.
Hey,
Everyone meets here.
All unite, all unite. Oh, they have a slingshot. Whoa.
When you don't have boys, but when you have boys,
All right. Thank you. Hey Jamaica, I'm just showing you the African ground, and you're gonna love it. Cause I'm Randy. I'm gonna show you a tree. You're gonna love it.
You see the cooking You see where we're gonna get food in the ghetto. After we're gonna buy raw fish, and then we're gonna go
So
to
let's move.
we're gonna go to the Burundian rice and beans and I think it's
Because Teba, you know this is the adventure of Teba and Randy.
yeah,
That's the name of the film.
All right, straight.
This is the adventure of Teba and Randy. Every time I go on an adventure with someone, they love them.
Yeah.
They say, "Where's Teba? Randy, we need to see Teba."
Let me introduce you to my Ethiopian
Let's do it.
friend.
Let's do it.
This man, he wants to take me to Shashaman.
All right.
But,
I gotta touch this man's hand and get some money. Oh yes, that's a lot of money right there. Yes, King. Respect.
this is my friend right here. From a long time. So,
How you doing?
oh, over there. So.
Oh, wow, Teba. The air is so amazing, Teba. It is so beautiful here in Cape Town. Oh man,
Take
Teba.
you to the crystal shop.
You gotta take me to the garment shop.
Yes.
Teba, this is your show, Teba.
All right.
Just 5,000 people watching you, Teba.
Let us source the garment shop. And right now I'm gonna go to my Tanzanian brother.
Tanzania.
Yes. We used to have a shop. You sell all African attire, and he knows who designed the best in the business. Yes, sir.
Respect, sir.
How you
Respect.
doing? You good?
Everything good.
Yeah.
Respect,
What up?
sir. Respect.
What up? Ahoy, that's someone.
Respect.
Yes, I. Yes, I.
My lord.
Yeah, man.
I've things
The
fire.
king. Zimbabwe?
Yeah, for Malawi.
Oh, the real
I'm
virgin.
calling Malawi. You know Malawi is the way is the God. You know the God, Malawi God?
Yeah,
Yeah, the people come from Jamaica, go to Malawi, fetch to Malawi God.
I was in Katabe.
In Katabe. Yeah, that's the way you come from Malawi.
Where you from? Zimbabwe?
No, Malawi too.
Malawi.
I've been to Malawi.
You know this is a Jamaican.
Jamaican.
Come, where you
Oh
from?
shit.
From Malawi.
Oh, somebody. Let's
Oh, youngsters.
come in the picture, bro. Come over here.
You can come through.
Yeah.
Show here.
Yes, sir. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Let's take a picture. This man look like Tanzanian, you know.
The Kenyan.
That's a Kenyan. Bring him in the picture too. Well, what are you from?
Bro, you can start here. Yeah.
Where this one from? That one over there.
I see the Malawi.
Where he from? Malawi. I need another culture.
This is the Mali.
Huh?
Mali.
Who's from Mali? Can you come over here? I'm Jamaican. You come. Let's go. Line up, Bridget. This is the King reunion. Come in.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I. Rastafari. Big up.
Oh, that's great. Do I know Malarian?
Yeah.
This Malawi.
Kenya?
Mali. Mali.
Mali?
Yeah.
Tanzania.
Malawi, yeah.
Malawi too.
Malawi, yeah.
Malawi too.
Yeah, Malawi. Hey, yo, nigga, shit. Hey, what's up, yo?
Yo, man, I'm from USA, United States of Africa.
Yo. Come take a picture with me, man.
Yeah.
You know what it is, man.
Hold it to me. I have to get in there.
That's one.
Yes, King.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
You see the little white button? Snap that.
Yeah, you need to pull together.
So now, this is Randy from Jamaica.
Don't press.
Oh, it touches
It's okay.
Oh, it's
It
okay.
feels both.
Yeah. I'm from Malawi too, yeah. Yo, Malawi.
Malawi. You also Borenga Jambo la Gold.
Malawi and Malawi.
You know there.
For real. Yeah.
Senegalese.
Come over Senegalese.
Where you from? Where you from, Reggie? Where you from?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Africa forever.
This is the Gashak.
I mean,
Locally. Yeah, what up? Yeah, what's up, man? So you don't want to get something?
No, we good.
Yeah, for real. I'm going to show you what exactly it is. Yeah, for real. I give you almost the frame for you, man. You know my brother from Manhattan.
Take photo.
You know, for real? Yeah. Oh, yeah. What's your name?
Where you from?
I'm from Malawi.
You have to speak here like this.
For real? Yeah, international.
Jamaica, you have the king. What your king name?
Yeah, I'm from Malawi.
Malawi?
Yeah, Malawi.
Tell them something about Malawi. What should we know? What should Jamaicans know about Malawi? Come over here.
Oh, I think the almost Jamaicans they know about Malawi because almost them they go to Malawi to take some like Malawi God. Yeah, you know Malawi God?
No.
Oh shit! See, Malawi God is something the one is putting inside of a banana leaf. That's what we call it marijuana. So in Malawi you don't call marijuana, but just calling Malawi God. That's a powerful African ganja.
So wait a minute, you guys have African ganja, you could introduce me to?
Yeah, you know.
You mean that, what are you saying to me, my brother? Go in the camera, talk to him about what's it, tell him about
Yo, what's up, buddy?
What's up, yo?
Yeah, that's what we have in Africa. We have the right marijuana in Africa, more especially from Malawi.
What are you saying to
that's
me?
That's a high grade.
What are you saying to me? But is it in Cape Town?
No, not in Cape Town. That's in Malawi. If you go to Kota.
So I need to come, how far is Malawi from here?
From here, maybe it's just if you take a plane, just 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah, 2 to 3 hours you'll be.
So when I come back, I gotta come hang out with you guys?
Yeah, no problem. We're gonna show you where you can get. We have the farm there.
So can you, whoa, you might not want to show anybody. But it's important the people in the world know you.
Yeah, they must know us.
They must know you.
So
you're gonna, like we can't get space.
Amigo. Angolano. Yeah, this is my friend from Angola.
Angola,
Yeah.
give thanks, respect. Angola, this place is,
Yeah.
You're from Angola too?
Yeah.
Stand up over there, this place is rich.
Yeah, you gotta come, guys. You come.
It's
Just
okay.
showing just showing the small video. Yeah, he's from Jamaica, this guy.
Yeah. So you guys from Angola?
Yeah.
What's special about Angola? What are you guys known for? Because we're the fastest in the world. You respect us, right? We're Jamaicans. Do you respect us?
Yeah.
Because we're the fastest in the world, right? Fastest king, right? Baddest? African? Yeah, good. So what's special about Malawi? Angola. What's special about Angola? What do you represent? We represent the fastest in the world. What do you represent?
We go at basketball.
You good at basketball? Who's your champion?
We have many players.
Many champions?
Yeah.
Where you from, Malawi too?
No, Angola.
Angola, respect. Everybody looks different, you know? You guys look the same with your round nose. These guys look different. Than...
So, amigo, what's it? 1, 2. Yeah. Okay, just hold on 1 minute. Come. Yeah, okay.
Respect, all right? Yes, good to meet you. Angola. What are you guys known for, though? I can't pick up anything about Angola. Mountains, Jamaica. Rivers, what's in Angola?
We have rivers.
Well, what is it known for? Animals?
Why would I? Yeah, we have like animal that doesn't exist in the world.
What's that animal?
Yeah, Palanca. You know Palanca. It's our country team name. You know Palanca.
So you guys are very quiet Africans. You seem to be very calm. Are you guys warriors? Are you the warrior type? Music?
Yeah, we have good music as well.
Okay. We're trying to represent each country, see where the kingdom come from and what I deal with, because this is my first time here. And meeting so many of you in one place is like, Jamaicans don't know that Cape Town is this powerful. It's for me I say that you have man like you, and man like you just assemble. In the United States, it don't look like this. So to see you guys in one place, for me, it's like this wicked. So it's an honor, right? Respect, sir. Respect. So you tell me about the Jamaican. Look at this. This is a slingshot right here. And I used to make these. I used to make these when I was a boy. Yeah, and there's a tree straight. They use the car tire sometimes. How much are these slingshots? Somebody can give me as a gift when I come back. That's the real deal. So growing up, King, what are some of the things you remember growing up from your grandmother?
Oh, but I remember a long time, the one I was like 4 years, I was lucky to go to catching fish in Lake Malawi because I'm not far from Lake Malawi. Yeah, I was like just 10 to 15 minutes to walk from my house to go to Lake Malawi.
All right.
So I was planning to not go to school. I was going to catch a fish.
So what about hippos and crocodiles?
It is a coconut, more coconut.
Crocodile.
Yeah.
Crocodile. Yeah.
Coconut, yeah.
But also, I heard in the canoe, the hippos, they don't like the canoe.
Don't like, but now it's no more hippos. The hippos now is in the somewhere.
Yes, they
Yeah,
killed them.
now they killed them, all
They
hippos. So now
are
it's no more
catching some
hippos.
people also.
Now we can swim in Malawi.
Where am I going?
Can swim in
Ah, we
far
do
away.
something. We're going to choose.
Where is from Malawi
That's my
too?
homeboy, yeah. Yeah.
Yes, I.
So everybody come from all over Africa to Cape Town?
Yeah. This is a good country to meet.
So trading.
Just to survive.
Yes, I am. Yeah, man.
Wow, look at Cape Town, Virgin. So the Jamaicans are not really represented here. Because you know Jamaica is in the color of your flag, you know that?
Yeah,
Cape
yeah,
Town,
yeah.
You see that?
Almost South African
Almost,
colors of Jamaica.
even in West Africa countries.
Yeah. People all over the
Senegal.
world, this is Randy again. You must come to Cape Town. This is my first time in Africa.
It's your first time
Bridget.
in Cape Town.
In Africa.
So I want to tell you something.
Tell me something,
Yeah,
Bridget.
what I'm going to tell you is this place you are, that's the first place where the slave trade started. This is a place. We call it Green Market Square. Yeah.
Right here.
Right here, where you
These
start.
stones.
These stones.
The first place.
This is the first place where they were trading, slave trade started.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So
You
these
see the church?
centers-
This is the Methodist church.
Oh.
Yeah. Also, we have the museum there. The king was standing on top of there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's it. That's where you
Okay,
are.
okay.
Maybe you know about the history about slave trade.
I don't know
Yeah.
about this place.
This place right here.
So they have the Christian church right
Yeah, this
there.
is Methodist church.
The slavery starts here.
Start here, and the king was standing on top over there. This is the museum.
He was there.
Yeah, he was there. And also, if you go to that board there, see that board there? You see that thing there? Next to the security, there's a board there. If you want to know the history about this market, you will know everything
right
about
there.
Cape Town. Yeah, everywhere.
Wow. And the name of the market again is?
Green Market Square.
Green Market Square.
Yeah.
So when you come to South Africa, come to Green Market
Everyone
Square.
knows about Green Market Square worldwide.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know, I didn't do my research yet, but I have you guys, you know. Respect.
This history for days, all these buildings, they've got histories.
Yeah.
They're talking about water crisis.
You see
But
that building
literally
there?
under the city, there's tunnels of water, spring waters carried from the mountains, channeled to the ocean.
Yeah.
And of course, some of it privatized by news. Not even news, some sectors. But anyway, that's a story for another day.
Yeah. You can see even this building
Must
there.
go to the castle.
Was built in 1930. But to see on top there. Was built in 1930. Each and every building has got its own
story.
You see? Also,
But
there's a building there for the readership. This is a readership house. This building here. You see somewhere is written readership house. Yeah. If you go maybe forward, you can see somewhere is written readership house.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. You guys, but you see what, I'm going to cut this. So, yo, Jamaicans, this is Randy again with the king, the king, and the king.
And the
Malari.
king.
You see me?
No.
All right. So now, we can't believe the color, the contrast, the blessings the Almighty has given me to make this journey and meet the kings and the kings. You're going to hear more from these guys, because these guys are going to be producing films so you can know all the history about Cape Town. This is Randy signing off again. Guys, give you a salute. Tell Jamaicans how much you love them. Tell them what Jamaica mean to you. Go ahead.
We love Jamaica, Lord. We love Jamaica. We love Jamaica.
We love Jamaica for the music. We have nice music. Yeah. One day we coming in Jamaica.
Yes.
Yeah. Marcus gave you a talk about, you see, real African, you hear that, you see. Jamaica to the world. Jamaica sing about roots and culture and repatriation. So we are set up the ground for your brothers and sisters to come over. You see it, repatriation, must.
So, respect. Anna, I don't know what I don't know. Respect. Check out these earrings. Ah, yes. Oh, South Africa. This is
These
good.
are African beads.
Who made these? Your people?
This is not me. I just give someone work to do for me.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah, but this one I can tell you that's my work.
That's your work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This come from the coconut.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Wow. And this one here is special. What's this?
That's the horn from the cow.
The horn from the cow?
Yes.
This right here.
Yes.
Nice. I love these.
Yeah.
So you have an email or a phone number or website?
I have the email address. The website is mine is there. I didn't activate.
You didn't activate the website?
Yeah.
Do you have an SA store or what's your email address?
georgejim@yahoo.com.
Do it simple. Do it real simple for them and slow for them.
Is the NJORO and let me check. Sorry, on the phone.
No problem.
Hello. Hey James. Kau hace diri dimo. Akhirnya sensir aku.
I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat from there, but my work. So, this film we're producing, family. What do you think, Tebe? Epic. Tell us the experience already. What the vibe is like. Hanging out with Randy, the Randy and Tebe experience.
It was a very special experience. It's a lot of ghetto African youth really appreciate of the idea that their stories can reach far and make something, some appreciation and some money. Yes, right now we're in the west coast. This is the ocean on the right side of my hand.
Wow.
Beautiful scenery.
So we're going to the ocean, right?
This is the ocean.
Are we going to stop by somewhere where they have fire or people? You
Let's
think at this
see.
late? No?
Nah, not this
late.
Not this late.
So
Not
these are the
even-
hotels where the tourists come?
Not even hotel, this is apartments.
Apartments you could rent?
Yeah. I used to stay in there. Like, I'm going to show you an apartment I used to stay.
Okay.
This is like beautiful scenario. Built by African. So, yeah man, during the day it's amazing. Anytime, this is one of the safest suburbs in Cape Town 24/7. Because, wealthy people stay here. People want comfortable lives, healthy lives.
Yeah.
Inside. Of course, there's Wallapa, African diplomats, some Russian and European gangsters, and
I see.
even Arab,
Oh, I see. So Cape Town is the hot vacation spot for the richest.
And it's affordable because if you have euros, pounds, and dollars, you can afford it almost like in Europe, but much more cheaper, but with the same quality and standard.
So this is like West Palm Beach of Africa.
Yeah, definitely. All of these beautiful white sands, yeah man. So it goes all the way until the Cape Point, where the two oceans meet. Luxury.
Moral, this is Cape Town, a view from Tebe and Randy. I'm here to hold the camera. This is one of your most greatest tour guide. If you ever in Jamaica or any parts of the world, this is the man you want to reach out to. His fee is very high. Trust me, it's a man that doesn't take coins. So my friends told me about him. I made sure I saved my money. He drives me around and he tours. He tells me the man is a musician. Teba, sing a song for me. One of your big tunes. Give me a tune.
Are we not afraid for assassination? Get to it ready for that anytime, because I am the son of the soul. I am an African. Kill me today, I rebel get but tomorrow we eat on grenades and we shit nuclear. We bury MPs because them listen to me. Them kill the Indian, they want to kill African and to call it power in a Caribbean, but we still original. Me no American. I am put as an original Ethiopian, humanitarian, vegetarian, Rastafarian, spiritual individual. Me know myself boy, historical, because me family the aboriginal. They make me so far. economical, fi serve them interest, political. African Shakuti are the chosen one. Black power, black beauty equals African. Africa, Ethiopia, that's where I dress. The land of the prince and the princess, where the kings and the queens, them never oppress. Big flat nose, thick lips, me poses. Yo. Yes, sir.
Keep singing. Don't stop, bro.
Are we not afraid for assassination? Get to you ready for die anytime, because I am the son of the soul. I am an African. Kill me today, rebel get born tomorrow. We eat hand grenades and we shit nuclear. We bury MPs because them not deliver. Yo, African youth and American nigga make we think nothing. But the dollar figure upon the second hand beamer, smoking cheap cigar, wearing Versace and Tommy Hill figure. But the next man bumbook that pulled the trigger. Busy panickers like they want Carl Hitler, yow. Bush and the Blair, them are the big killer. Listen to Teba, the lyrical teacher, laughing at the ghetto pretty rough. Each and every day, things are going tough. We can't even share. A little of the better listen to Ayana Rastaman stuff. You could have think the father. Him a gone fix, but it's Satan, busy pan flicks. Fear the ghetto youths never own no self works. Be wise and be smart and we go own no self, yow. Well, how we not afraid for assassination? Ghetto youth ready for die anytime, because I am the son of the soul. I am an African. Kill me today, a rebel get born tomorrow. We eat and grenades and we shit nuclear. We bury MPs because them not deliver. Well, watch bourgeoisie, them a roam the country. Them have plenty food in them a pantry. But they get to people, them under poverty. Even in nowadays, we still under slavery. Them exploit black people for them luxury and put you on the parade. Yo,
keep going.
You know, this is Timber.
Jamaica go ask you, them I go book you, the producer them I go call you for come and Jamaica.
You know what?
This I go viral. Run it, Timber, give me all your two them.
But because this a black lovely skin is full of pigmentation. Protect me from the harmful rays from the sun. Natural suntan. Yes, me have it to the max. Me no skin cancer. Me no pimples. Me have me love me shape. Me love me face. Me love me complexion. Me love me color. Me love me skin. Me love me natty dreadlock. When me black, tell me black. To be black is no start. Stevie Big in the air. In my shout it out loud. How we not afraid for assassination? You get all you ready for die anytime, because I am the son of the soul. I am an African. Kill like today, a rebel get man tomorrow. We eat and grenades and we shit nuclear. We bury MPs because them not deliver. Yes, I live in direct Cape Town City. Yeah, man, to the Caribbean, West Indies, and whole worldwide. Yeah, man, this is Tema the original social work.
There is another tune you did sing up. You have to blaze it again. Give me another tune, man. Jamaica hardcore, you know.
You see, at the end of the day, you know, all this conscious speaking and talking, it's all about love, you know. And well, this one is, I mean, be like conscious lyrics. And watch me now style. Melody, roots and culture. Question: what you could do when you what you lyrics out of me head? What am I going to sing about? Okay. I may say can give up the fight. Get to you, revolution of a spread. In our neighborhood, can we shine like the sun in that well, in the darkness you have to shine like come on again and again. Can give up the fight. Get to you, revolution of a spread. In our neighborhood, can we shine like the sun in that well, in the darkness you have to shine like come on. Well, all the get to you to better watch out for the best. You are the first target, they pan them list. That's why in a ticket to have a big up on no fist. Right about no missing a mistake all missed. We not looking at the west, half a looking at the east. Them a commit a evil, you mind and twist. Watch out for them teacher, they listen to the priest. Have a fight for the truth, can't hide in the case. Can't give up the fight, get to you, revolution of a spread. In our neighborhood, can we shot like the sun? In the darkness, you have to shine and come on again and again. Can give up the fight, get to you, revolution of a spread. In our neighborhood, Cause we shot like the sun in that tenant. Well, in the darkness, see a fish shine like a moon. But it is the vampire try to the mosquito and the fleas. African woman on the whom they want to freeze. Pure corruption in a woman, them a hey, holy party to you every day, them a bleed. You better big up on yourself. That up, hey, you. Hey, anyways, easy,
big
see,
man. You got it. You're fire. So tell us how long you've been doing the music for that?
Well, I've been recording for the past 20 years. When I moved from Cape Town to Joburg, I had to stay in the streets because it was rough, man. But made a vision. So down 6 months, I had the opportunity to record. End of the year, we had the best tune in the country. We won an award. After that, that was in 1997. And then since then, I've been traveling to places like Swaziland, Botswana, Lesotho, Malawi, Zimbabwe. 1998, we had our first international performance in France. Then from there, and I've been traveling to most European countries, Germany, Spain, Italy, Denmark, England, Austria, later South Pacific islands like Samoa, Papua New Guinea, Fiji, so Tonga, you name it. And it's just pure love and appreciating what the creator or creation gave I and I. You see it? So at the same time, waiting and seeking the warriors who could have fulfill the works that my people and brethren and sisters look up to. Yes, so it's a continuous journey, and it evolves all the time. Yes,
No reggae artists. Who are your favorite artists from Jamaica?
Ooh, that is a very complicated question because there's already a top 50. We talk about Nitty Gritty, Chris Wayne, Junior Delgado, way before Buju and Sizzla, Capleton and Anthony B. There were artists like Tony Rebel, Admiral Bailey, Lieutenant Stitchy, Papa San, General Trees, Terra Fabulous, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, there's New UK Chronics, Irene, Dillinger, there's a whole entourage. It depends. Talk about producers like Steely and Clevey, Mafia and Flax, Sly and Robbie, new age producers, old school. Talk about roots and culture. Yo, my lad, Burning Spear, Mighty Diamonds. You see, me can even. Jamaica's a very big reggae catalog. You can't ignore it. It's bigger than large. But yo, I would say, yo, man, Bounty Killer, Capleton. I'm a favorite ragamuffin artist. Everyone knows Bob Marley, Peter Tosh at the foundation. Big up there to the latest living Wheeler, Bonnie Wheeler. But yeah, man, it's difficult to choose one because on a rhythm, enough artists flex it and they blaze it, and different styles, man. It's really complicated. You can't choose one. This is Kims Bay, very nice beach.
I noticed there's a little nightlife around here.
Yeah, not really during the week.
On the weekend it's round.
The weekend is round. Enough things are going.
Wow, this Cape Town, this way you drive me is special, bro.
Yeah, this is the luxury life. Yeah, man. If you go further, it's become much more nice and beautiful. So
people live here.
This is
These are apartments.
These are apartments.
How much per month do you think to rent one of these?
Anything from 8 to 12, 15 rents.
Okay, wait, let's do some math here. Talk to me. A one bedroom to rent here for a month, how much would that be?
I would say maybe $8,800.
Really?
Yeah.
8,000.
Yeah.
So that would be 800 for the month.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So that's cheaper than staying at
an apartment.
But they do it with lease, like for the whole year.
For the whole year, and you must pay 3 times
advance.
Deposit, yeah.
So wow, people, Cape Town. Let me tell you something about this adventure. I just started. This is my first day, and to be honest with you, brethren, I mean, we spent time talking a lot today with some brethren, and this is a journey for me in Cape Town. You see the big artists I'm hanging around with, Tebe, and Jamaicans enough to love him, world enough to love him. This man is the real thing. Book him to come to Jamaica and tear up the stage. But this is the life and adventure of Rony and Tebe in South Africa, Cape Town. Virgin, this has been my first trip to Africa. I must tell you, I'm overly impressed. And people who are watching this video, it's night right now. You can't really see tomorrow. We're going to go to a tour today. We're going to do a sightseeing tour tomorrow. Today, we still have things in the back of the car from supermarket early in the day. We had so much fun at what's the Green Market?
Green Market Square.
Green Market Square is a place you guys have to come to. No, in my Jamaican language, let me tell you something, Jamaican. If you've never been to Cape Town, South Africa, please, I beg you. It's $22 a night to stay at a good place. Rent a car is like $30 at the airport. You go to justfly.com and start doing an investigation. Go to justfly.com. Book your ticket. You can do all-inclusive, whatever you want. But where I'm staying is close to Tebe and close to the airport. And it's an Airbnb. I'm paying $22 a month.
Yeah.
I mean a day. And that's $200 for a week to stay somewhere. That's not a hotel. And then I bought my ticket for $1,000. That's $1,200. And then I rented a car for like $370. Right? So with all of that, I have a rent-a-car. So you could do an all-inclusive if you want to make it cheaper for you. You could do that. But I did this because I wanted to have the flexibility. Maybe I want to extend my time at the place I'm renting. I don't know what I'm going to do. I like the adventure of meeting people like Tebe and flexing and moving along. I love ghetto life.
Yeah.
Because when I go into the ghetto wherever I vacation, I get to meet the people. I get to really feel the culture. I need to meet the people to show me what the culture is. I can't get it from a hotel. I can't get it on my own. You got to meet the real people, and Tebe is the real people. And know the experience with Tebe, the adventure we're going on in Africa, is going to be one that you're going to remember for years to come. I've been through Jamaica, been to West Palm, been to places in the States, Toronto. Now my tour is taking me to Cape Town. And let me tell you something, people. You've seen Cape Town from a different perspective. I'm going to show you Cape Town from the ghetto life to the rich life to what Tebe's talking about. But you have to experience it all. Now, why is it a lot more blacks are not coming to Cape Town, South Africa?
You see, Cape Town is a colony. It used to be a slave town. So they make it very complicated for most African. Most African, they just come and work. Johannesburg is the port where they made it easier for enough black people to stay in. The rent is very expensive, and enough black people in Cape Town, enough of them, they stay in the ghetto. But if you go to Johannesburg, enough black middle class, enough black politicians, entrepreneurs, that's where you find them. It's a system, it's a set system where black people feel intimidated, like from the police, from job opportunities. But we're not cater for that, because this is Africa. This is Ayana heritage. Me is born and bred in Cape Town. So if you stand firm and know your grounds and just be confident, man could have prospered. Trust me, no man. So
you're all I'm saying, Jamaicans, you could make it here.
Straight. But may I tell you, man, people love Jamaicans in Africa. All kind of national, white, black, brown in. Them I love Jamaican food, jerk chicken, rice and beans, ackee and fish, corn porridge, you name it.
No, here's one thing I'm found about Cape Town today.
Yes,
Tebe.
sir.
Them have Zimbabweans,
Yeah, man.
Nigerians.
Nigeria,
Everybody come here for
Malawi.
work. Malawi.
Yeah. You see, South Africa, especially Cape Town, South Africa, has got one of the best infrastructure in the continent. It's a first world country with third world problems. Because it's in Africa, we have most minerals from platinum, gold, diamonds, and silver. We have few international airports. We've got the East Coast and West Coast. We've got 3 seasons: summer, autumn, spring, and winter. We have one of the best educational institution of education: UCT, UWC, Pentec, Wits University, University of Joburg. We have one of the social grants compared to most African countries, and but still, united we stand. Enough of our brothers and sisters from the West, if they could have come through collectively together, they would have run this place, man. This is a population of about 60 million people in this country. And we've a few achievement, international achievement. We produce one of the best boxers in the world. Our athletes are not bad. Our rugby team has won more than twice. We've hosted the World Cup. And the most popular political icon, Nelson Mandela. So those are just the highlights. But the people have great humility. But still, people of this country love Jamaican music and culture, style and attitudes. Enough ghetto youths. If a youth is not hip hop, is into Jamaican culture and attitude and Rastatude, is it? So, like me, I realize sometimes my reggae catalog is more than some Jamaican.
Yes.
I asked one Jamaican, do you know Chris Wayne? How would that? Like, Rasta man. Me. And Jamaica never reached the country through media or TV or radio. No, somehow we managed to receive fresh tune from the Caribbean. But I guess it was that London connection.
Yeah.
We used to have a place called Scratch.
Yeah.
I remember going to the dance hall back in the 80s. The selector would just fling Mandela tunes for the whole session. Free South Africa, President Bota the Mosquito. Even when Mandela was free, Barrington Levy, Tony Rebel, Mandela, you free. Nelson Mandela, freedom fighter in South Africa. Still, we were so inspired by Jamaica Rasta. I'm like, because we never liked school because it never spoke to me. But when I listen to the Jamaican music, we never believed the whole nation can dedicate their music and content in such a presentable and revolutionary manner. And I know down in my heart, Jamaicans are most welcome in my country because there's something about them, swag, style, pattern, but them have that revolutionary attitude that most African look up to. In my Cape Town city at night.
Wow, I tell you, Tebe, I mean, I mean, Africa's been calling me. Sometimes Jamaicans, you hear me speak with so much passion and excitement in my voice. It is because I'm passionate and I'm excited. That's Table Mountain up there?
It's part of Table Mountain.
Yes. And then we're gonna see, I think I'm gonna extend my time here. We're gonna go to, 1 month I have in Africa, Virgin, and Cape Town is making an impression on me because of the water. You know, you feel the vibe of the energy, the chakra here. There's no place like it on earth. It's kind of like the feeling you get when you go to San Francisco. San Francisco has a similar chakra point. The earth has different chakra points. And Cape Town is one of them, Jamaica is one of them. And this is why you see the plane load of people from all over the world. The road is so amazing. You rent a car, you guys are gonna see me driving tonight from the ghetto. That's how brave Randy is. After I drop off Teba, Randy gonna drive home by himself.
Yeah, just
for
follow
sure.
GPS, proper straight.
GPS, and just stay up on the left side, and we're good. The point of my documentaries and stuff is I'm an explorer. I want other Jamaicans to be explorers. This is my first trip in Africa for the first time. I feel so good. You know, today was such a full day, a full joyous day. When you look at the city, and Teba, slow down Teba, slow down. We can't stop nowhere, right?
No, we can't.
Yeah. That's how it is. So anyway, I'll keep it moving. So look on the city lights, look on it, brethren. Look on it, brethren. It's a flat grid city, you know. And let me tell you, say, Jamaica, and the reason I talk so passionate, you know, come here, beg you know, please, make a trip. Because you see, when you come here, say, Randy, tell you, Randy, do what you say what you do.
And African queens, they bout here.
They bout here.
Yeah, man.
And trust me, let me tell you, I have witnessed some stuff tonight when it comes to women.
Oh my God.
I love my Jamaican woman, them not Jamaican woman, I know, say, I know. And yeah, Bridget, Jamaican woman, you need to come here to really get your vibe up.
Yeah.
You know, what I love, there's this restaurant, we went to Ethiopia restaurant. It's one of the first class restaurants, and I just spent $71 there on an amazing meal. No food, drinks, and laughter and everything, right?
Yeah, man.
And the place was the best decorated restaurant I've ever been to in my life. Just to be at that restaurant today alone, seal my feet. Just to sit in that restaurant, I felt like I was in the most royal place on earth. Yo, Bridget, that restaurant for me signifies Africa because he has an art collection. I'm going to interview him because I told him I'm going to interview him. So I'm going to go back to the restaurant again and interview him because I want you guys to see this place. It's a powerful energy. And when you sit in the place and you eat your food, Virgin, you're going through a whole different world. You see me? And there's no pretension. And when the people them come in and them sit down and them eat, them say, yo, I'm in a different dimension. And that's how I felt today when I went there for the first time, for my first visit to Africa. Going to that restaurant for the first time was my welcome home. It was the greatest welcome. Because when I got off the plane, the vibe wasn't there. The taxi people, the people in the... I can't believe this is Africa. It feels like a tourist land, you know what I mean? And then, even the people where I'm staying with, you know what I mean? So basically, I wanted to feel Africa at the highest level. And today, at that restaurant, vibing with the Virgin, and going to Johannesburg on this journey, with the whole Massive and the Roots crew, we're going to come together and we're going to do this again. We're calling this the Zion Festival. This is the beginning of the Zion Festival, and Randy, Empress Pro, Tylo go into the desert and light a fire and play some music and dance and have fun. We're going to be doing that in Botswana. The Zion Festival, that's how we're going to live. So you see the cool thing about Africa, you could rent a car. It works out to probably $600 for the entire month, 600 US. I've calculated it. It gets cheaper as you extend the time, right? And you could do that, and you could literally drive for 13 hours if you have a crew and just go all the way to Johannesburg. So the trip is you come to Cape Town, enjoy yourself, enjoy the beach, right?
Yeah, and of course, in between Joburg and Cape Town, there's some amazing landscape where you can stop for a short while, and some backpackers, very cheap, historical, history, environment, the people, you get Cape Town is Mediterranean. As you go further up, you get semi-desert. As you go above, you get cassava fields, and then when you go to the north, it's semi-tropical. So you got also some mountain ranges, different vegetation, and food, and all of them things, and history. So it's very dynamic and interesting culture.
So you're a great tour guide. You know, when you set up your thing and you get your thing together, you got to do some tour videos for me on the channel. You'll do that for me?
Definitely.
You know, you got to clear your thing so you can rent a car. I'll buy your brother's car.
Straight, man.
But what you got to do for me, you got to really do some tour guide for me, because the people need to see more of what you're talking about.
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you this. Now, you took a different route this time.
Yeah.
You did, right?
Yeah.
Because you took, because you know,
the coastline.
Yeah.
And went up the mountain.
Yes.
So that, you know, just get the energy and feel.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So this road right now, the N2, is from the CBD. It goes via the East Coast, the Eastern Cape, which is.
And when you say CBD, what do you mean?
CBD, the city bowl, the city, the heart of the city.
Okay.
Where there's business and the train stations and the bus station that are based, the main business of the city. So it goes all the way to Port Elizabeth, to East London, up to Durban, up to Swaziland. Very smooth road. And along the way, you're going to see whatever animals, like elephants, monkeys, baboons, wild pigs.
In the road?
On the road, zebras.
Where?
On the end to the same road when you go into the East Coast.
Okay.
You just go straight. You're going to see enough natural plants as well, herbs, healing herbs for many things, and animals. So we got quite a very still, wild, natural life. A mixture of village, modern structures. We've got some science hubs within Norway. There you say, okay, Babylon are busy with something around the corner there. So, but it's a very interesting landscape. And the changes in the cultures, because Wolipa tribes from Cape Town, like this is mainly the region what they call the Khoisan and the Bushman and the Xhosa speaking people. That's Mandela's people them. But and that's the Western Cape and the Eastern Cape. Johannesburg is mainly the Tswana people. The Tswana people dominate. And when you go between Joburg and the north of the Eastern Cape is Natal, the land of the Zulus, the mighty Zulu nation. But Johannesburg is the African city. You get every black man and woman in Johannesburg, including Caribbeans and black Japanese.
Wow. Straight. So if you were to drive to Johannesburg, it would be roads like this?
Yeah, man. See, that one to Johannesburg, this is the N2.
Yes.
The one to Johannesburg is N1.
Yes.
Proper, because there's trucks that transport goods.
So basically, the animals wouldn't be on that because they're shielded off.
So yeah. The animals they protected entering the road. The fencing is quite proper.
Good.
Yeah.
So the N1 is not a problem to blast through and get there.
Nah, not a problem at all.
So
it's the quickest way from Cape Town to Joburg. If, as I said, if you like, there's always these small towns in between or you can
Stop and rest.
Stop and rest, have some drinks and meal, enjoy the history of the place each and every time.
You know, the people are gonna love everybody. You know, everybody I hang out with, Baba, Patrick, everybody I interview, people love them. They say, Randy, when is Teba coming back? They're gonna love you, Teba. They say, Randy, where'd you get all these people that we love so much?
Yeah, man.
Them love Patrick, them love Baba. No, them are gonna fall in love with the Teba show. Them say, Randy, you always I get them people there. Where you find them? Let me tell you, man. Laugh attraction. This king right here, bringing Teba to you guys. I give you Patrick, I give you Baba. They're gonna keep producing their shows. Then Teba is coming with the Cape Town representation, the Cape Town show. You see, mate, do you turn on red?
Nah. At night, if you're paranoid,
you can.
You can if there's no traffic. Especially maybe it's a lady driving that car, so
okay.
And it's a bunch of men in the car, so
yeah,
panic a little bit. This is Menenberg, one of the notorious gang-related war zone.
War zone. So when you say war zone now we're getting to some real deal now.
This is.
Do you hear gunshots at night?
At night, sometimes they send an army to seize down the fire.
So you're saying there's a lot of, what kind of criminals are here? What kind of drugs are you talking?
It's something like crack. They call it duck. Some very poisonous, suicidal drug thing.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's quite big.
And the people are taking this?
They were taking this to get very big drug cartels, you know? Because of, you see, the system at some point, this is a repercussion.
So you live, go tell them what's where you live?
Gugule 2.
Gugule 2. Now, that is the real...
It means our pride, as you can see.
Our pride. Gugule 2.
Gugule 2.
That's where...
Yes, the French, they say this Juju-le-Toit. Yes. Menenberg police station. So, across the bridge,
yes, sir,
is Gugule 2. This is Menenberg.
So right now we're going to the real garrison, the real ghetto, right? You say you live in the hood.
But still, my hood is quite decent compared to the ghetto you're gonna go to tomorrow.
Oh.
The favelas like Trench Town, like.
So wait, tell me, but I forgot watch yourself.
but there, you know, during the day, it's not like, as I said, you know. But during the day, if an old woman is feeling threatened and you see a Rasta man, you go towards a Rasta because you know Rasta is a safe man, you know. So, yeah, man. But there's one heap of things I want to show you tomorrow because it's the working class environment. People are.
So everybody's sleeping.
Everybody's sleeping.
So anybody out now on the prowl?
Yeah, getting ready for the next light.
And the next light is?
It's work.
So see these women right here doing their thing.
Yeah, they know no boy could have touched them.
So the women, no matter what time they walk in, they're living.
They're living. They're fearless. This is the church I used to go to, Catholic church.
Yeah.
This is my neighborhood. This is a graveyard.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Boy, I tell you, the life real in Jamaica, the life real. Everywhere you go, the people that must suffer.
Yes, sir.
But we bring some solution for them. Tell them, say, Randy, come and edify the people. Tell them.
Randy come through and free the people's minds and spirits, elevate them to the next level. Is it? Yeah, man, it's possible.
Yes. Jamaican, I'll come, go to South Africa, place my mark, release the book, the lectures. That is your yard?
Yeah. Remember there was no gate before.
Wait. Are you sure that is your yard, Virgin?
Yeah, man.
Foreign come, Bible come, Virgin. What do you mean? The spirit can build a gate for you that quick?
Yeah, man. Positive vibration, man. Trust me.
This is the outside of the place I'm staying. This is my chair. This is my car. And you know, I rented a car. Cool breeze is nice. Tomorrow we're gonna do a little barbecue. You know. Put some fish on the grill. We're gonna buy some fish at the market and hang out with. So this is my couch. This is my table here. I got my whole cooking thing here. Sorry, I bought some groceries today. It's a mess. I'm a mess all over the place. But this is my knitted bed. Of course, I didn't spread it. Who needs to? It's vacation. Oh, stuff to pack my clothes. Not staying here that long. Ready? This right here is a little table. A little mirror right here. My shower. Right here, you know. So $22 a night. Not too shabby. Got my eggs to make a quick breakfast. So that you don't have to go out and eat every day, because I got a whole month in Africa. You don't want to go out every day eating breakfast. So you need a place where you could scramble a little egg, have your brethren come over and everything, and you know, some nice African. Come here, baby. Here we go. Come on. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come to your African king. You know I'm not going to hurt you. Come on. There we go, little bug. I'm going to put you outside because I love you. And we're in Africa. Can't be killing all the bugs. Fly away. Do your thing. Whatever you do, don't go back into my house. Let's just put up the curtain so that we don't have no mosquitoes. So no, this is the life. No, I'm out some room. This is me. This is where I'm gonna stay when I come back the next time. I'm gonna bring my daughter. You know. This is just rent a car. It costs like $370 for the week. And the best thing you want to do is rent a car. You can take Uber everywhere. Uber is everywhere. And it's very safe here. You just have your phone, get a chip, and just take Uber. That's it. It's just the life. When everybody tells you about Africa and they talk what they're talking, the more I travel, the more I learn, the more I realize there's a big lie. People like to talk. A lot of people like to hide things. Certain people keep secrets from certain people. And this African experience is a big secret. Wakanda forever. You guys, don't be scared. If you need my help, if you need to know how to make this trip, I'll help you. Save your money. I have friends now, all over the country. Give thanks. This is where my brethren stay in Guguleto. So now we're going to the ghetto of Guguleto. And you'll see a difference between class, once you get closer in. But today we're gonna go sightseeing. We're gonna go to Table Mountain. Cape Town is better off and worse off than Jamaica in a couple of ways. There's a lot more people, I think, probably suffering here. The quality, there's a lot of long distance to go for the professional community to establish themselves, the natives to establish themselves in the professional world, and to get but the ghettos are right next to the wealth, I've seen some things that shocking. There are a lot more just regular people sleeping on the streets here. It's something to experience. I think it's a great country, and it has amazing potential for growth. And I think this is a great place to invest. Now we're going to Guguleto, and on this journey, I'm driving by myself. Finally, stay on the left, Rony. And it's good to see both sides, because I came here and I'm working on the documentary to spotlight the challenges in Trenchtown. A lot of people don't want to talk about it, but it's so blatant, it's so obvious, it's so divisive and so in your face that the system is in need of some additional support from external powers. But if you're Jamaican or wherever you're from, let me tell you something. Don't listen to no one with crime or anything. The streets are better than Jamaica. There's good infrastructure, but the ghetto, you'll see in the ghetto, there's like Kingston ghettos, but it's a bigger range of ghettos. People sleep on the actual road. Sometimes you see garbage heaps. Guguleto. I've seen a guy literally drinking water from the literal concrete as the water ran on the street, and I'm like, okay, wait a minute, hold up. And when you talk about wealth, and we're gonna go to the rich neighborhoods, but the people, they're in a state of despair. And we're gonna see that. I'm gonna film that. I'm gonna go up close with some of these people and talk to them. And a lot of different cultures from Malawi and Zimbabwe are here for work. A lot of different African countries, people, they come here for work because of tourism. Tourism here is massive. The tourist side of things, just like in Jamaica, is beautiful. So I've traveled now here's our ghetto over here. Okay. I've traveled to different countries, like Jamaica, now in South Africa, and I'm seeing the same thing. You got the townships. So, I'm seeing the same thing where the natives, are kind of blocked away for tourists. But let me tell you something. This place is one of the most important places on our planet. One, the resources. And now here's a traffic light that was actually damaged because there was a riot. And the people were upset. They burned something and kind of destroy the stoplight. So sometimes you have the frustration and people just kind of break out into frustration and they do things to damage their environment because they have no other option. But this is what you call, see all the garbage here, right? So this is the condition, hot sun, long distance to walk for these people sometimes, and just garbage, like sometimes like everywhere. So we're going to Guguleto. My friend Tebe, it's Tebe around the adventure in Cape Town.
Meters, turn left.
Guguleto, we're gonna turn left, and we might want to turn the camera off. Yeah. But knowing me, I'm a fearless Spider-Man.
Turn left.
So we're gonna turn left here. Guguleto. You know me, I probably should turn the camera off. These big phones in people's faces in the ghetto, man. It's not a good idea. But you know me, Rony, I'm a gangster. All right, so stay on the left. I have to keep reminding myself to stay on the left. So that's the Minimus Park. And now we're going in the ghetto. Let me ease back with the phone here. Hold it down a little. You don't want to be too obvious. Yeah, stay on the left, buddy. Stay on the left. So the houses where I'm going to for my friend, they're wonderful. He just, Tebe, you guys are going to get to know Tebe on my channel because Tebe is going to continue filming for me, right? Gotta be careful, Rony. Just be easy with this phone. Uh-oh, okay, slow down, buddy. Hide this phone, slow down. Don't be so obvious. Respect the people. So anyway, I'm gonna slow down, and so here we have a little peek. These are the homes in the ghetto. This is the life. Whoa, that was monstrous. Did not see that bumper coming. So he called us the ghetto. Some parts are still very livable, and where the kids are playing over there, you know, a little shop there. Right, see, Rony is driving with one hand, and just like I always do about this time, whenever I have to shoot a film, I just have to shoot a film. That's what filmmakers do. We take risk. That's why you support the filmmaking adventures of Rony Podger. Because now when people see me with the phone, they're like, uh-oh, and then they would actually follow you to where you are. So you gotta be careful. Phones here are a big commodity. And I'm shooting with an iPhone 10 tonight. But capturing ghetto life to expose conditions so people could see what I'm seeing is very important. Filmmaking is like great for social change and improvement of community, because if you can't see what's happening, then you can't help. And the news media can tell you anything. So I'm a reporter. I didn't sign up for this, but it's what my life turned out to be. I use my own money to report on people all over the world. So let's turn this off for now.
I mean, I talk to her because of Jamaican inspiration. Sometimes they make me feel bad. You are trying to be Jamaican, and I'm like, but Jamaica is Africa. Jamaica talks about roots and culture. And it came to me. I was in my bedroom. It came to me, so I said, I know I'm not coming your way. And then the music, see the music, I learned, the lyrics made me to go through encyclopedias, made me to check the Quran.
Hey Teba, this is Teba and Rony show, and we're hungry. So here's what you're gonna do in this wonderful restaurant, Teba. You're gonna finish the speech, but you're gonna call her over, and let's just get some food. No, Teba, this is a Teba and Rony adventure. All right, now we're in this amazing. This is a restaurant. What's the name of it?
It's called Utopia Restaurant.
Yes, this is a restaurant, guys. It's all art and stuff. Let me tell you guys, South Africa is a world that you need to discover. It is a world beyond other worlds. Do not listen to anybody. This is the place to be. Every Jamaican, you need to listen to me carefully. Save your money, right? It's $22 a night for me to stay at the Airbnb I'm staying. Yeah. And then Teba, you could rent a car for about $38 a day. Yeah. So that's about $58 per day to rent a car. Call Teba, link with Teba, and Teba will take you on the journey. You give Teba a little change, you give Teba his fee. Teba will take you to all the greatest. Let me tell you guys, this has been my second day in South Africa. And let me tell you, I haven't even been anywhere yet, but this has been one of my greatest experiences in life. and this is just the beginning. Things are a little slower. I'm still in my New York pace of mind. This is the Teba Aradi adventure. Teba is an amazing reggae musician in Wicked, and we're gonna continue his interview. After this, I'm gonna play some of his music for you. This man is a legend in the community. It's an honor to be among him and eat with him. All right, Teba.
Mama, you know the veggie platter, and then you like to have some lamb.
Yeah, with some rice. It's a white rice with lamb.
No, we put what do you call it? Put injera.
It's like a thing that you pick up with.
Yeah, tokens.
Okay.
Very authentic. First time, maybe you like a trigger.
You do take cards, right? Yes. You select the third dish, whatever it is. He selected 2, you select another.
So you know the veggie platter, right? So we like to have a platter with some lamb and other things other than the veggie one.
So one veg sampler and
veggie sampler. And then what would you recommend him someone who's versatile?
And I'm Jamaican, so spicy is fine.
Take this meat platter and the veggie sampler.
Yes.
Okay. What would you have for this as drink?
Drink, we have beer, we have wine, tea, coffee.
Do you have any lemonade? Any kind
Yeah,
of
we have
punch?
lemonade.
Can I have 2 tall glasses of that?
It's in a can, in a small can.
Nothing. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Even have orange juice.
Orange juice.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks so much. So Teba, you were saying about your music, Jamaica. your
Yeah, man.
inspiration.
So reggae roots and culture, man. Trust me, no, man. So the music has made me getting some promoters out of nowhere say, yo, come through, man. Could I buy you a flight ticket to New Zealand or Samoa or Italy? It's been consistently happening, you see it? And I humble myself because me respect Jamaica to the maximum. You see, but still, I remember one time I was in a reggae jam in Germany, and I see Keep Rich. He say, me I respect Keep Rich and many other Jamaican artists. So for the first time I come to Germany, and me has been going there for the first time, not because me's the baddest, but you just me listen to I and I calling. He said, listen to my calling, and I never allowed to be brainwashed by Babylon. So since then, my life has felt complete, but more needs to be learned and be unrevealed. And I realized that what I think in Jamaica, you know, like in Spanish, they move 10 days of, when you say reggae, it's Jamaica, it's African content on some next level. So I'm a big up Jamaica for taking care of I and I. Trust me, 20 years in the industry, and it never went wrong. I'm still learning. See? Yes, sir.
No, Teba, what has been the experience meeting Randy Pottinger? What has been it for you?
Meeting Randy has been next level of elevation, meditation. It goes with the profound education and mental liberation, spiritually and financial achievement. Because enough warriors, enough youths, them seek beyond what politicians are promising. So this is a practical, achievable objective, you see? Where you can, while you rising spiritually, mentally, economically, you can independently be effective because we represent the past generation, step into the future in this present time. You see it? It's so this is not even the first days, first few hours, and it's like a spark that's gonna be a prairie fire as we go through. Some things we can't predict, but the feeling and the sensation is massive. It's
So you have a positive outlook on different things. And you know that I selectively wanted to share information that I didn't share with the world, only with Africa, only with Zulu.
Yeah.
And why did I choose Zulu? I don't know. But we're going to find out later.
You find out because we met up with Grover.
Yeah.
You see, the system divide the people them into whatever tribal war. But if you collect all the energies of all these elements, you are one strong nation. Like we just came to some Mali brethren who are masters of navigation. In Togo, they used to describe Shaka as a man who know how to assemble backloads. When you talk about King Moshosh of Lesotho, one of the most intelligent leaders. When you talk about the South African leader from Biko, Sobukwe, Mandela, and talk about South African musician, Miriam Makeba, talk about Taniso Mazwai. Those are all from certain part of the country. So it's still the Garden of Eden. And from my physical journey, I know Africa is more than. First of all, the name Africa came from a white man. This is Kush, Ethiopia. So, because we're confident, we know that we belong to the world. We never colonized the world like some insecure individuals. We come and manifest and we be. But my Lord, this is a very big mission now. See, it's the next level. You have a stick on your hand, a USB to be injected to.
What I want to do to the this is the lion. This is Rony and Tebe. We're going to the adventure today. Today we're looking at the beautiful side. Tomorrow we're looking at the not beautiful. But we're gonna have to start right down because there's museums. We're gonna leave the bad side for last.
Okay, all right. We need the bad. Okay.
So I want to see so much of the good, to capture footage. But this film we're doing is a film. When you say you live in a ghetto, for me, your house is amazing. Right?
Yo, me too.
The environment is, but and we know we can go to other zinc up thing and thing, but really, this place here, I see the people. They're so pleasant and.
One brother from Bronx, he said, "Brother, I stay in a project. You've got a garden, you can have a garden, you've got a yard."
And I thought about, one reason I didn't sleep, processing a lot of things. I'm like, we need to get some dirt here so you can plant callaloo, your greens. You're a Rasta man. You're supposed to teach them how to plant.
You see now?
And another thing about this neighborhood, there's no, because you're the lion, there's no, dirt garden. I don't see any garden here.
You see, we used to have gardens, but we are not allowed to use water to water the plants now because of the water crisis.
No. But you still use your bathing water. Even that, they use that to flush the toilet.
Yeah.
Got it.
You see? So, but we are hoping we collect the rainwater because I used to eat from the garden at the back.
So you have a backyard garden?
We have a backyard garden. And the mothers in the community, they always grow plants together, they plant things together. It's quite a big moment, even in the schoolyards. But once they catch you watering your garden, you get a fire. Because of the new regulations.
So now, that was new, so, wow. That's crazy.
It's crazy because enough people could survive from eating a little bit from their garden. So
let me ask you, when is good rain season?
June.
So let me ask you this again.
Yeah.
Because in Jamaica we have black drums.
Yeah.
Shouldn't you guys prepare for this again by having black drums now to start catching water?
Definitely.
Do they sell black drums?
No, you see, even the term black drums is something that people don't you know.
All right.
But people, they're making alternatives. Like I know the Zimbabwean brothers who are doing boreholes in most cabins, in most houses. Because in Zimbabwe, when I was there in August, every household took with boreholes to get their water because it's underground. So in this, at least in this generation, because the first time we experience drought, because Cape Town is known for too much water, too much rain throughout the years. It's always green throughout the whole season, even in autumn it's always green. So people are getting now, waking up that, okay, there is something like drought. So when they were first warning, people thought, it's a temporary thing. Now it can never be dry in Cape Town. So now there's re-education now, but the people from the countryside, they're familiar with some terms, but in a traditional language, like Imbalela, but we never experienced drought. So now people are being informed and making things.
Did you know you're a good speaker?
Not really.
How did you learn to speak? How did you develop your, it's just life experience?
Life experience, because our education was very inferior. You know, we come from what they call Bantu education.
Bantu.
Yeah. And I think one of the most inferior education in the continent, because that's why we got a very good infrastructure. It was meant to build the infrastructure for the economy. So we're trained to be factory workers, domestic workers. So it was not ideal for us to be wiser and better than, you know.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but I guess maybe...
How is there a shift in that? Now, is there actual proactive moves? You mind cutting that off for me?
Yeah.
Are there proactive moves by...
Yes, I think at the same time, there were activists who used to hold illegal underground sessions.
For learning?
To teach literature, but it was mainly on the struggle, you know, Pan-Africanism, politics of the time, authors that could relate to the people in the community. I guess at that young age, at primary school, there used to be another man in the street. He used to hunt us after school, hold us and make us read some documents so that we can get information that we will never get from the school or from the system. And I think also maybe poetry and theater informed one, and the music. The new dispensation before 1994, we were very revolutionary. We were ready to do anything to be free. Most of us wanted to join the guerrilla armies, MK, APLA. And in the street, it was not even, you didn't need to be convinced to know who's the enemy. It was very clear. But it was a very well orchestrated superstructure, because the main concern was the infrastructure, which is capitalism, the minerals, the resources which belongs to the West, US-led imperialism. You see it? So with the new media, with a new president who sits down the fire, you know, this, you always quote Nelson Mandela, you must forgive and forget.
Wow.
So a lot of us got disturbed by that. And then soon one of the most radical ANC members, Chris Hani, got assassinated because he said land first.
Wow.
You see? If you look at the South African politics, the most popular African National Congress is called a charter, it's called Freedom Charter. In Robben Island, one of them, Mandela stayed for 27 years. There's Pan-Africanists who stayed for 28 years. No one knows about them. The father of Pan-Africanism in this country is Robert Mangaliso Sobukwe, who had a special, a unique, he was isolated in Robben Island. He was not mixed with the other prisoners because he was too dangerous. He's, you know, my selector. Yeah, my live and direct from Cape Town City.
Him and big up all Jamaica, West Indies, yo, African massive, no worry yourself. It's Rastaman, they might call me the original him and social worker. Inside the mix, alongside me brethren, all the way from the Caribbean, America, Africa, worldwide, we there, you know, representing righteousness every time. Saying, yeah man, it's all about Cape Town City. And Mr. 2 months girls in this city, girls look nice and the girl look pretty. Well, too much girls in this city. Me not see why am I want to become a chichi. Well, 2 months girls in this city, girls look nice and the girls look pretty. Well, too much girls in this city. Anyway.
Yo, you know, say Jamaica, them I got the man, you know, yo, Jamaican, one of you know is the man, Teba. Give them the last name.
Yeah, man.
The artist name.
It's Teba, aka the original social worker, aka Tattoo Spliff 25 to 1 digitally, aka Chimurenga, aka Rasta Rebel, Mr. Shumba, inside mix. You see me? Yeah, man.
Aka friend of Rondy's.
Straight.
You know, I sound like the American and you sound like the Jamaican.
You see, Jamaica is African extension, the Eye of Africa. Remember that. You see, because reggae, Rasta, and African equals to international, including Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean and the West Indies.
I noticed the map of Jamaica is on your flag. Do you like the colors?
Yeah, man, it's beyond explanation because it is an organic process where enough African leaders through the DNA, the mafia, you know, always represent because them color them. It's almost, you see black is a compound and we have all the necessary colors that represent the real thing, the real deal every time. So, yeah man, it's not coincident. ANC, the Pan-Africanist Congress of Tanzania, Jamaican colors. You see, even the New South Africa of Jamaica color. So, it's a natural instinct.
Wow,
yeah,
wow, powerful.
Yes,
now we arrive into Table Mountain.
You see over there?
Yes, sir.
They might call it the Lion's Head.
Lion's Head?
That's, yeah, you see, the rest of the mountain is the lion's body.
Oh.
Yeah, man. So that's the Lion's Head.
I see.
The Table Mountain. Mystical.
South Africa is beautiful, so we're going to take a tour of all the beautiful spots today. We're going on a promotion to come to South Africa if you live in Jamaica. This is Randy on the radio along with SaveJamaica.com, aka Man with the Slippers, aka Man with a lotion in back foot, aka Man we eat cantaloupe from out a spring garden in a warm bucket, aka Bad Man but me not act like me bad, aka if you touch me, we touch your family too, aka Zulu. Man come through and I link up with the real Zulu them, aka yo bow bow bow. AKA flowers outside for your mother. AKA call your sister and your brother, call food ready on the table. Yo, this is Randy on the radio right now, Table Mountain historical view. Right now we are going through Cape Town where all the tourists them go. It's an honor and blessings to be here with you, my lord, because you know sir, right now the thing set up nice at South Africa and with people are Jamaican and know so the thing nice so I'm telling them and telling people of Jamaica, say yo, come through, Teba will take care of yo.
Yeah man.
So now reach out to the people and tell them something more, Bridget. Tell them
yeah
something.
Man, you have to remember that, you know, we have to celebrate life. A long time black people under poverty and slavery. So if we celebrate life because it all depends, you see, Babylon them. Go on. Anyway, Palace in helicopter.
Every time I come around, Babylon come. Every time I come around, Babylon come.
So, yeah man, you know, so a long time we tell them say that Africa for Africans, you know. So when you come to South Africa, aka Azania, Cape Town City, now worry yourself. Ask any boy, any dreadlock, any bowhead, who are the social worker, who Teba, them I go tell you, oh no, that's the original father, the Dan Gagan, the poor people's governor, girl defender, aka tattoo spliff inside. You see, so don't worry yourself, don't stress on yourself. Teba Shumba is Googleable and is available. You see me? So make sure in your lifetime you come and touch base. Cape Town, right about now, we're gonna go on top of the mountain called Table Mountain, and enough of you have to come through to experience the blessings from the creation. You see me? Yeah, man.
So now, Teba, give them your Gmail, email.
Cause you know, say, my name is Teba, T-E-B-A. My name is Shumba, S-H-U-M-B-A. It means the lion. So I mean Gmail is Teba Shumba 205 at gmail.com. Teba Shumba 205 at gmail.com. If you forget that, just Google Teba Shumba. I go get me links. You see me? Facebook, same thing.
And you need bookings to come to Jamaica and perform.
Me want to go to Jamaica, man.
You have a manager in Cape Town?
I mean, I have a manager, Rasta. I used to have a girl.
You have a woman manager. We have a girl manager.
We used to have a girl manager, you know, but right about now.
You have what them call it? Girl and what you call a woman manager?
Yeah, man, you know.
So why haven't you had managers?
Me used to have a manager. Me used to have a big crew. 2010, me woman manager organized a European tour. It was a wicked thing. But true, you know, say, when these Wallapa people, them start to behave like black crab in the barrel. And some of them are use and abuse the manager. So the woman ran away. But, yeah man, any Caribbean girl who know say that we are going when it comes to reggae business, holla, contact me and make up a plan and do something. See me? Because it's all about collaboration, you know, so that it can be liberation and evolution for the next generation. You see it? So man, yeah man, link up.
So how many songs do you have? How many project CDs you've completed?
Alright, me have 2 albums and me have one of rhythms, cause you know say right about now, enough of them Germany youth them a produce a one of rhythm. So we sit on them rhythm enough times. So I remember that me is reggae at the same time is an African music show. So me have one of other music things me a set pan other than just reggae. So we have one of musical project in a million. You see? But Rastaman are wise and with a team. You see?
So how many CDs do you have?
Me have 2 projects. The first album is 25 to 1, Manifesto. Second album is called Voice of Azania. Yeah man, available online here.
Sometimes we get angry because we see the people that went up in Lanya.
See?
Yeah. And this Table Mountain is beautiful up here, and everything up here so is not black. You see, you're gonna tell us something, Jamaica. Jamaica, I'm gonna plead to honor. Please come, because this is my second home. You see me? And let me tell you something, man. When we go back to Babylon, any dollars me catch, I save my money because I want to open up a restaurant with table called Little Jamaica.
Yes, sir.
You see me now, we want to find a spot for open up the restaurant called Little Jamaica. You see me? We have to find that spot because once we open that, we just hire somebody to fry some fish and have the music.
I tell you, the next side of the mountain is Kem's Bay. That is where we have to put up a restaurant. Trust me, no man.
Oh, we'll check it out.
Check it out.
Scenery
today.
today.
To the box,
Table Mountain, historical tour from Rony. Table Mountain and the car, tourist time. Run the dip on it.
It's a park.
Yes, I. So the helicopter them I bring up something up at Steve Mountain.
Some water.
Look at this, my people. My people. My people. South Africa is so amazing. Look at that.
It's amazing like Greece.
It's amazing. You have your taxis, you have your trees. This is a wonder of the world. Yeah, man, I'm glad so we do it that way. I went to hotel. Bye, 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 bye. It's a Jamaican of a country. I'm there live at the place now. And so we go on to Jamaica. You know, so every time we go around, everywhere we go, we run it. You have to know so we come through. Boy, look on the view. Randy is talking to you. Look on the view, my lad. Look on the view. Fire. Well, I'm going to tell us Randy reached. Mr. Randy reached the bar. See the bus there. Sightseeing Cape Town. Them a drive. Me a drive. Teba see the mountain there. Jamaica me bring on with me everywhere me go. Lord, the preacher say, if the camera fall out of the car, we're up on Cape Town right now, me so happy. Randy get happy like puss. Look on the car, them on the parking. The breeze smell good. The mountain high. And Teba on them shades and we are live it up. We're going to eat some fried fish later. Me so happy say me reach Africa. Me see it in a book, me see the boy them on TV I do it and me say one day I will get to the mountain top. The preacher said. I am at the mountain top. Just I know, give thanks and blessings. Me so happy. Me happy like puss right now. Look on it, man. And me. Boy, big up yourself, my lad. Yeah, we make them feel good enough. Jamaica run the world. Yo, Jamaica, this is me I represent the blood. Yo, Jamaica, look for them, yo, my lad. Don't have to come to South Africa. Randy reach before the reach. Yo, no idiot to make Randy reach to South Africa. I want to reach to South Africa. You know that I'm from my lad. Randy reach to South Africa. You know, so me do it every time. Randy, don't think boy, Randy top it nice. Let me say them, yo. Me say me happier than you. Come me reach to South Africa before you, my lad. Don't make life left you behind. Learn how to climb high mountain like these. Yes, I listen to the cool breeze in a South Africa, Cape Town. Look on the big thing, man. Me say, blood, yo, I'm parking right here, so we pay for it. We could do this, man. We could do this now. Right? Okay. Bye. Watch yourself, road boy. What is this, Palmy yourself? Yes, I. Mr. Me happy like pushing a panterati. This is Cape Town, this is Jamaica. Run upon the radar. You say, yo, Mr. Me, I'm happy like a puss. I drink milk, I wait for a piece of fish. Two blows and skirts. You know, so we come in for like say we are dignitary, we are come right at the thing. Teba, wow.
I will get up.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, so.
And the bus just stopped.
Behind this car.
Yeah, man, do your thing.
Mama tell me you are going. We reach for the bus then.
Let me ask the guy there at the station. Yes, Jamaica, this is Rony on the radio. Right now, right now, Table Mountain. Wow. border. Wow, look at that. What's that? Who said that? So we can't park here?
Outside there's a parking area.
Okay, thank you guys. Yes, Teba, how do you feel to, have you ever been on the cable?
Yeah, been there. I used to be a Boy Scout. So I've been up there on foot. I've been on the cable before. So, but it's always refreshing to reach the top of the mountain. I love ghetto youths need to go more to the top of the mountain, Table Mountain, because I like heritage, you know. Yeah, man, we need more melanin people them to get the chakra and energy from the environment, you know. Creation needed for me. Alright, quickly. What happened to you? Full up. Every day, man, look at it, man. Every day, man, is full. They man make mad money.
Wow, so the wait is like, what, an hour?
To about no cloud.
Well, I said to me, my lord,
Too long.
my lord. So you know what I go do? Where I go?
Checkers.
You know what I go do? I like the view, so I could do a view tour today, and tomorrow morning we get up early. You see, we didn't plan to plan.
Early.
God, them things they are to our business. Everybody want to be on the cart with the cable. And only one or two cables stick them out.
I tell you,
we hold about 5 people.
More than that, maybe 10.
Yeah.
And all of them is foreign, European.
Yeah, we get here we find out what time they open.
Yeah.
We find that out, and then we come back here. It's a good thing if you have a car, because if I took an Uber here, then I would have to take another Uber back, and planning is key, but with that whole vibe, and I come from the Pan-African business anyway. 50% of my business. But the view of Mr. Safar, wicked. I'm definitely bringing my daughter back here. And we have the links and everything. I've learned the routine. I know I bring all the Jamaicans them come back here. Yeah, man. Jamaicans. So, hold on, we're going to just pull up somewhere and take a picture.
Right.
What we have to find park. But we'll do it tomorrow. No worry, not stress yourself. Ganja, man. Table Mountain, man, another vacation spot in the world. At least the tourists support the infrastructure.
Yeah.
And then it bring money and jobs, you know?
Yeah.
So collectively people are going to work together and make the world a better place, yeah? Because you have to give thanks to the tourists, them, you know, them always
support the
yeah, man, tourists, big up to all tourists and all different color, culture.
Same.
Because you know what, in Jamaica, without tourists, you see me, tourists help the infrastructure, so you have to big up tourists, and that's why, man, every day you get up and hate people because of skin color. You gotta kill yourself, because I know everybody determined bad for the world. Yo, tell us, slow down, come right over here, son, right over here, son. Just want to see us to bring the Jamaican in. Just y'all know my people, yo. Now beg, you know, I don't know how to say this in English, but I'm so passionate, Teba, about just having my. Listen, I don't like to be the only one having fun in the world.
Yes, sir. You're right. It's pure bare niceness, you know, Cape Town.
Teba,
sunny.
I don't like having fun by myself.
Yeah, but we know, so
you see what I say?
Tell them have to come true,
so,
man.
You see the thing is, Teba, I want the whole of them.
Yeah, man. You see me?
Teba, if I move to South Africa, I mean, I'm a Jamaican people around me. I know some have you, but
Jamaica come through to South Africa, Cape Town City, trust me, no man. I will love it. Make this your second home, if possible your first home. Trust me.
And I'm gonna show you why people. Me not like. Wait, is that Benji right there? Me not like to have fun by myself. Teba, come here, Teba, come. Ah, Jamaicans, Jamaicans, Jamaicans. Ooh. The weather, amazing. The air, super amazing. The cable car is going all the way up there, so you have that view. Right? And talking about the tourists. Oh man, Cape Town. Yes, I made it. Oh wow, I know you guys want to see the view for a while, so I'll just take a picture. Yes, Jamaica, another rounded tour. I don't like having fun by myself, so I'm gonna outline the itinerary for you now. And you see a driver, Teba, and we take care of you. Teba, let's move out. We'll go some scenery tour, and are we gonna buy fish from Mama today, or we're gonna what we gonna eat? What restaurant are we going to today, Teba? What is the adventure? We'll get the Robben Island ticket at Robben Island, or do we order it online? We do it online?
You can do it online, or we could go to the waterfront. Waterfront is another
view. Let's do view, everything view today. Rich house, big house.
Yeah.
You see, and then what we want to do, we still want to hold some vibe. A nice restaurant, Teba. You see me?
Alright, make me make a turn, yes. Make a block. Check out knees at.
This is the Teba movement, the Randy and Teba film. No, Randy and Teba are two Pan-Africanists, so they never know that Randy was a serious radical. You know, Teba, them never know that he's a rebel, you know. Them say me joke out the thing all over time, them say, yo, Randy's a little damn idiot, you know. Them boy, they are sample. Yo, I have some Jamaican bad man, when them hear me upon the thing, them say, yo, them boy, they are sample, you know. Them don't know, so me change it up, you know, Teba, them things are easy. Them boy, they are sample.
Lick, man. The tank full.
Yeah, I forgot about that tree there, Teba. Go hide now. Your house, I break the law, Teba. Everywhere you go, you break the law. You see me, I said, this rebel thing, this rebel thing has to end, Teba. We can't be doing a film and you're always breaking the law, bro. You have no driver's license, you're taking leak on the Table Mountain. What's going on with you, Teba? Let's check out the view. Oh, yes. Guys, you remember the last video I did with Patrick? Yeah, Baba, Patrick, so Teba. So here's what we're going to do. You know I'm always planning with you. So now we're looking at South Africa. We're looking at Jamaica. I'm going to Johannesburg also. And then I'm going to Botswana. So you guys now have a link you have a link now in Cape Town. So you link up with Teba and he'll bring you to the spots. We're trying to figure out land acquisition and how we could start developing business here. So that's why I want other Jamaicans to pay attention to this, because the life that they're living here in this part of Africa, the psychological impact from that Western ideology is not really here. This lifestyle is what I want my mother to enjoy. Teba, you good?
Yeah, man.
Watch yourself, be careful, no Teba.
Yes, sir. Don't worry yourself.
So tell the people about, I know you keep telling me the land acquisition thing in South Africa is complex.
Yeah, man.
But how do we start the process? I mean, our business, if I wanted to open up a restaurant here or any business, do I just team up with someone like you and and you rent the spot, and then we start the fish fry, Escovi's Little Jamaica restaurant franchise? How do we do that? And who do we need to speak to who could give me these answers?
Now, you see, if you check, like last night, yesterday, there was one of our African traders in the city. So enough organized Africans go come with some proper budget.
Yes.
You just rent out the space, man.
Good.
Like any trading man or woman. So you check out an available space, you rent it out, standard. Especially in this new dispensation, equal rights and justice. You see? So you have to just...
So if I teamed up with a couple of Jamaicans and I says, all right, we'll put some money together and we're going to open up a little Jamaican restaurant and put a little,
You see, there's one of other African foods, cuisines.
Yeah.
There's hardly real, authentic Jamaican eatery in the Cape Town. You see it? So any man who have a business vision come to Cape Town by the coastline, trust me, no man. And Cape Town is a Rasta capital. You see it? So you could ask Sizzler, Capleton, Chronics, Anthony B, Winston Rodney. They know Cape Town and they know the vibes. But me, I tell you, some man, me check some few Jamaican eatery, some not real thing, just a sample. But if real yard man them come through and give the authentic rice and beans, jerk chicken, fish and ackee, the whole menu and come and do it, trust me, no man, you never go wrong. People love food. If it's proper, it's done. You see?
Well, yes.
No competition, Rasta. Trust me, no man. There's something about Jamaica. The music is out there already. No people try to get the food now and other things. So, yeah, man, if you come through.
Yeah, man.
You see, when we leave this side, I would take a stroll. Last night, it was at night. You could never see the coast. But if you go there right now, you'll see the business. Enough Brazilian crew come and bash up the beach and play volleyball and all of them thing them. Imagine have some dancehall queen thing there. A real authentic. Few weeks back we had a reggae thing on the coastline, but we're in collaboration with Red Bull and Surfers. What a thing, man. People love it. So, yeah, man. Jamaica have to come through, man. Jamaica, man, them people. Jamaica and the girl, them, of course, have to come through.
You have to say woman, because when you're speaking to Jamaicans, you can't say gal.
Oh, man, the Empress, them.
Yes.
Man, the Nubian queens, them.
You see, when Jamaicans come here, they correct the Jamaican dialects. People hear me speaking this as you're not Jamaican.
Yeah.
They don't understand that.
How are we care, man? Oh, that's
car still open. Phone in the car too. Teba. Jamaica, it was $378 to rent this car. And thing. You have the keys, Teba?
Yeah.
And it was $22 a night to stay where I'm staying. $22 a night. Teba living at a garrison. And Teba is a Uber away. So Teba can literally come to your spot. All right. I mean, I love to explore and to bring my people where I am because together we're stronger. Being out here as one Jamaican, and I have some links, but my brother in West Palm Beach, I think we have to seriously start thinking of our size of our homes back home and the car cost. And I'm looking at this, I'm like, wow, there are people here who actually own homes here.
Yeah,
so
man.
my question is to our people, how come we know own nothing in yourself?
it's a system, man. But step by step.
Step by step. The awareness.
We are already there.
The awareness.
You see, over there, so we have some Rasta thing going there. You see, this is a suburb, but there's a farm there, so some Rasta man around it. They might run a market of some sort.
Yes, sir.
So we there step by step, Rasta.
Okay, good. So Rasta, you guys first established the boots on ground, and you first kind to deal with that first. That's what.
Yeah, man. You see, I have to be diplomatic. You see, the material said that South Africa has one of the best constitutions in the world. You see, because a long time black people are suffering. So the new government make sure that if one practice them rights, you could have access to property and proper things. You see, if you just have to deal with proper things with the right attitude, you could do anything, man. But when we collective, progressive, you could do it. Utilize I as a local Rasta. You see me? You just bring in the investment, pay tax to the government. They are going to love you. We start our reggae, massive events. People them love reggae.
So we can just open up a reggae club.
Yeah, man. Reggae club with food.
Oh Lord, it done. I mean it that simple, you know, come out the music already. I mean can't cook in a table, I can't really cook it.
And slowly we go to the radio.
Oh,
easy, special reggae. Trust me,
easy. So you mean so me really have to spend a month yourself?
Rasta.
A good month.
You could get people come to learn Afro-Jamaican language. You see, that's how lucrative this city is, man.
Because once we open up the little Jamaican...
But remember, only Jamaica could do it Jamaica like Jamaican. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Straight.
Yeah, man.
So we have North Africans here, so man.
That's true. Then we try.
But we are weird for Jamaicans to come through, Rasta.
Oh, flag it up,
Yes,
flag it up, my hygiene and sister. Randy, I'm an ambassador coming from Jamaica to tell me people them say, hey, we better wake up, you know. A Rasta man tell me last night at 4 a.m. I go bed. And I talk to a Rasta man where they are South Cape and him I go up on the radio station. And him show me say, yo Randy. Him know the system, you see me? And him show me say, yo Randy, Jamaica is a piece of island, you know. When the thing come, it just blow, you know. So he need to come, he have to come as Zion. So when me come as Zion, him say Randy at the right place, you're there right now. Because you see, Jamaica is still just like a piece of island. America have traffic and toxic like crazy and bad politics. But out here, so fresh.
Fresh air.
You see me? So you have to deal with the fresh thing.
Jamaica will wait for honor. Yeah, man.
We're the conquerors, so we have to conquer this.
Same.
You see me? So that's why this film is about Tema and the adventure. It's really about conquering. We're a traveler.
Same.
Now we are go Botswana and we are go Johannesburg. I mean, also enough Jamaican over the place. So if you don't have no African links and we're go on the website, Teba is going to be delivering the news to us now from Cape Town. So we're going to do the movement, you know.
I'll get to use them Jamaican injected. Trust me, no man. So from a distance, you feel the vibration from the island. From long time higher. Even Mama, when him dress for kill, him put on Jamaican color. She's a dreadlock woman. How will influence that? Jamaica. Come on, no. Have to do it. Next slide, we go on to Robben Island.
Yeah, we're going to do Robben Island. Make a move through.
Yes, I. So many things.